So, start streaming.
Oh, let me get on the server here.
And we are live. Let me just make sure that everything is working fine. Yep, seems to be working fine. Let me enter the game. Hello, Midna. You've been first for a while. Lately, you've been coming in first on my streams every single time. It's nice to see you. How are you? Are you feeling any better? You told me you were sick last time. Last time, on Midna's life, she said she was sick.
Oh, did she lie?
Did you hear the? Did you hear the new sub alerts that I did?
What?
The new sub alerts that I did whenever somebody subscribes.
No.
It's the epic voice guy from the movie trailers. Hey.
Oh yeah, you told me you got that, but I haven't heard it. Yeah.
You haven't heard them yet?
No.
Thank you for subscribing to VloggyBuddy.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Maybe if we get a sub today, I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get one.
All right. Really get one. Just one. Where am I in the game? Oh, I'm in Truelandia.
All right. At least you're in. Are you logged in? No.
I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Oh, it's dark outside. There's dangers.
I didn't see you come in. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I just see. Did you change your skin? Did you change your skin?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
It looks different.
If I have, it's not because I tried to.
No school of.
Why do I have?
Wow, seriously, Midna? That's bad.
Oh shit. Yeah.
She said bomb threats. Alright, so I'm gonna have to teleport to you because I walked very, very, very far away.
Yeah.
I mined some resources actually. I'm gonna take some of these.
How do I?
Let me take some
Oh,
diamonds.
that is running. I gotta get rid. I have like 700 cobble on me for some reason. I think I was building a castle, but
It's been so long. I forgot you were.
I know. I'm not trying to build a castle at the moment. I'm not feeling buildy.
You're not feeling buildy. Let me put some music on. Hold on. Put some music on. Let's see what this sounds like.
This is all stone. Oh, I like schmelted all this. Gloria schmelting that.
Unfortunate schmelting action.
Let's see. Do I have food? I have chicken on me. That's good.
Oh wow. Sounds
I
intense, Midna. That sounds intense. Alright, so I'm gonna teleport to you. Am I safe to teleport to you? TP.
Yeah, I'm in my hidey hole.
Oh man, I almost teleported you to me. That would have been really bad.
Yes.
I am so far away. Coming! Boop!
Hey! Alright. I'm gonna.
Ooh, nice. Nice. I got something for you. Here you go.
Oh, yeah?
Some of these.
Whoa! Making it rain diamonds! Yeah! Thanks, buddy. Alright, so I should armor up for this adventure, huh? It's gonna get crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna armor up as well. It's
Alright.
It's gonna be a long walk also. I'm gonna get moving.
Okay.
Wow,
hey,
I haven't played
zombie.
Minecraft in a very long time. I invited Nikki, but I don't know if she'll join. She said she would,
okay.
but you know these Canadians.
These Canadians can't be trusted, I know.
These Canadians.
Where is my armor? Oh yeah, I got my whole set of awesomeness here.
If there's mobs on this bridge, I'm gonna jump into the water.
Let's
see. So far, so good.
Sharpness on 9.
I miss my horse.
Oh, did your horse die?
No, it's just that I usually cross this with my horse, and now I don't have my horse.
Oh.
I miss my horse. It's a very long bridge. I can't believe I did this.
Yeah, that's quite the interstate you built. Oh, hey, Dadaro's here. What up, Dadaro?
Dadaro! Dadaro.
I don't know, it's iron on this. Sure.
I miss playing Outbreak with you, dude.
Oh, I know. I don't know what though. I don't know what else to do with that game. I just don't understand why it won't work.
I know. We tried
doesn't make any
everything.
sense.
We tried everything.
I know.
We tried fixing it. We tried reinstalling. We tried giving it the finger. Nothing's working.
I know. I thought that last one was really gonna pull through.
Oh.
Stupid game, obey me.
Donation appeared. Thank you for your generous contribution.
Oh, thank you so much, Daryl. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the donation. You are awesome. I don't know if you heard the notification properly, but it felt like it repeated. That was the epic. That was the epic voice guy from.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. There you are. Look how nice we fixed this whole place up. I mean, I want to say we, but it was mostly Nikki. It's all good. When will I end there and join the server? Very soon, Midna, actually. Very soon. I have an empty spot, so you can come in. You can come in. Not today, though. Not today. Today is it Bossy Brew? Alright, so I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna regroup myself.
Okay.
So I can. Okay, you need to armor yourself as much. Let's meet at my house. All right, let's meet at my house because I have the map and everything. All right, armor yourself best way you can, but not too much because we are gonna die. I think we are gonna die. So
we're gonna die. Maybe not full diamond.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Should I wear a full diamond? I don't know. Am I wearing?
I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna go all out and we'll see how it plays. It's gonna be super.
Dodo and Cloggy. Dodo. How are you, buddy? I'm gonna put these away. I'm gonna put these away. Because I think once I think I mistyped his username, and instead of saying hey Dada, I said hey Dodo. And I think his autocorrect changed my Vloggy to Cloggy. It's like hey Cloggy, hey Dodo. So now
Vloggy and Dodo.
It's our thing. The new adventures of Dodo and Cloggy. Ivan, hello. All right, so let's see.
Do some iron on me in case we die. Well, why do I have stone on me?
Because I think we are gonna die. We need to play this. It's snowing again? Really? Oh man! No, we don't get snow here. I think in my life I only saw snow once here in Malta, and it snowed for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. It was all melted by the time it reached the floor. But yeah. Alright, so let me throw away some stuff because there's so much stuff here.
I'll leave my diamond pickaxes here, but I'm gonna armor up all hardcore.
I'm gonna remove my gunpowder, I'm gonna remove the string, I'm gonna remove the boat. Actually, you know what? The boat, I'm gonna place it. Place the boat.
Got a bunch of torches, bunch of chicken.
I don't need these buckets, so bye bucket, bye, have a great time. I don't need the spider, I'm gonna keep this.
I'm heading to you. Oh, damn it!
What's wrong?
No! Oh, damn it! No!
What happened? What did you do? What happened?
Trulandia!
What happened in Trulandia?
I walked right outside the door into a creeper and he blew up my fence.
Oh, it's just a fence.
But it's just a fence.
It's just a
We
fence.
can rebuild it.
Come
we have the
on.
technology.
Don't forget food, don't forget coal. Don't forget armor. A good weapon. We need a strong weapon, alright? Just so you know.
Oh yeah, I'm diamond up. Sharpness.
I don't think you've ever seen this thing we're about to experience. I don't think you've ever experienced what we're about to experience, so I think it's gonna be awesome for you. We'll throw away a bunch of stuff that I don't need because I need the inventory space because we're gonna find loads of treasures. No.
Oh, stupid mobs! You destroyed Trulandia. That is a crime. How do you run in this game?
Double tap forward.
Double tap forward.
Yeah, you press the Q button, right? To the W button to run, yeah? To walk forward. So you double tap.
No. You just dropped my diamond sword. What are you trying to do to me?
You pressed Q then instead of W. You press W to walk forward, no?
Yeah.
There you go. Double tap W.
This is boat go. Oh! Oh god!
He's complaining like an old man today.
I don't know where I am.
You want me to teleport you, by the way? You want me to teleport you? Do you need to be teleported?
Wait, I'm so confused how you run now. Double tap forward?
Yeah.
Like W? What does that mean? Double tap it.
Double click it. Sorry, double click it or whatever, like this.
Like.
Really?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. What do you press to walk forward?
W, and I'm holding it.
Press it twice then. Double press it. Press it twice.
Well, I'm in a boat now.
Alright, so that won't work. Alright, so I'm gonna grab some chicken. Oh, look at the chicken. Look at all the free chicken. Oh, that's so
free
good.
chickens. Oh yeah, that thing's been making chicken a lot, huh?
Yeah, there's so much chicken. I mean, I take one stack and it's automatically putting more. Alright. So help yourself. This is free food. I'm so proud of
Okay.
that. I don't know if you
I'll
haven't
probably...
been, I don't know if you've been to the mainland lately. I mean, not lately, but no, in your
Not
last.
in a while.
Because it's gonna
Nikki's
look.
house
It's gonna look
looks old.
nice.
Yeah, Nikki's house is balling from what I see. There's there's my old shack. I see you left it
There you are. I
intact.
see you. Your old shack. Did you just? All right.
There.
Oh, okay. There you are, my troll. You are back. I've been waiting for ages. All right, so grab some chicken.
Slow motion hug.
Slow. Eager. All right, grab some chicken, and it's time to go. Why don't you do a server for fans? Because I'm gonna be honest with you, Luca. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's just you can have chicken if you want there. Because I have trust issues. That's why they will grief it, destroy it, and all that stuff. So I don't know. So do you need food or anything?
I'll grab an extra stack. You never know. Insanity might ensue.
Did you see my the pen that I made for my animals over here? Come over here. I want to show you something.
Where?
Down here. Check this out.
Oh, I didn't see it.
I have
Como se llama?
Como se llama?
Upside down horse, man.
Yes, and Vloggy Donkey.
Vloggy donkey. Nice.
They can't get out. They cannot get out like that. They're very safe.
They can't.
No, you can get in and out, but they can't because the half slab they consider the half slab as a full block, so they will not attempt to walk past it. It's very smart. All right, let me get my map. We have a map, and we need to follow the map.
Oh yeah.
Let me just get my home.
It's going down. Oh, you guys made like a little forest island over there.
Actually, it's just I just needed some.
I see your dragon never went anywhere.
My dragon never went anywhere? What do you mean? Like what?
He's still wingless. He's still wingless.
Yes.
That's been a while.
Yes, that's been since the beginning. Never finished that dragon. Never. All right, so this is the map. Let me show you the map. What it looks like. Take the map. Now, the white spot that you see at the bottom, at the very bottom, there's like a spot.
How do I?
You select the map. Yeah.
Can I move the map, or is just this one screen?
Can you right click on it or something? Do you right click on it?
Right click doesn't do anything.
Can I?
If
Am I the only one that can see it then? Can you throw it back? Hold on. Can you throw it back?
Yeah.
Yep. I just hold it. If you hold it, I mean he's looking at it with both hands. I don't know.
Yeah, I know you can see like that. I didn't know if you could move it around. Like, is it more than just that, or it's that one page?
No, but can you actually see what's going on the map? Can you actually see it?
Like, yeah, I guess.
So
I don't only see.
Can you see like a little house? There's like a little house.
Oh yeah, I see a little house, and there's like a little land, and it's all liney.
And there's like a white dot. At least for mine, it's white for sure. You see the dot at the bottom?
Oh, I see the white dot now.
That's where we are.
Right.
That's where we are. We need to start walking towards the house. So I'm not so sure how that's gonna work, but yeah.
How will we know?
That's what we need to do. All right. So, do you think you can follow the map, or do you want me to try? I don't know.
No, I'm gonna let you handle the map situation here.
Okay. All right. So let's see.
A lot of weeds here. Gonna.
What if I all right, now let me just walk around a little bit. Let me see what happens when I walk around. Absolutely no progress. Absolutely no progress. Nothing.
So we just will have to go in a random direction. Might be the right way.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, why not?
That's
what adventure is.
I have no idea where we are. Let me just grab a boat, because we'd have to swim or something. Let me just grab a boat.
Yeah, I got my boat on me. This kind of looks like Sugar Butt. What you doing there, Sugar Butt?
Here's a Sugar Butt! Alright, where's the boat? Let me just grab a boat real quick. Oh yeah. Come on, boat.
Off of me, horse.
Alright, so. I have no idea which direction we need to start. Do you want to take a guess at which direction?
Sure. Let's go. This way. Towards the dragon. The dragon will lead us to victory.
Yeah, sorry. Let's start from the dragon. Yeah, I think that's a smart choice. Yeah, I think the dragon. Chasing dragons.
Chasing dragons.
Let's go.
Oh, hey, you have a boat over here.
Oh, there was another boat there. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
Oh, I fell into the dock. I'm dying.
I'm coming. Alright, so I'll keep checking the map from time to time to see whether we're gonna make some progress. So let's see. Okay, let's start moving towards the dragon.
Dragon ho!
Dragon ho! Okay, so
is that just not loading, or is that how the mountain really is over there?
I don't know. No, probably it is like that. It's cool like that.
It looks like it's disproportionately held up by.
Alright, make sure you follow me. Don't go away.
I'm getting lost. I'm getting lost in the mountains over here.
Right,
okay, I got you.
Let's see. I don't even know where I'm going, so I'm just gonna walk in a straight. I'm gonna drive in a straight drive.
Just drive. Did they add new things to this game since I played? Like, didn't they add like new enemies or something?
They are in the process of adding new stuff. Yes, they just added. They added the turtles. And
oh, turtles!
Nothing. The map is not even moving.
Turtle. Well, somebody's in here.
Yeah, this is where Sakura's house burned down. So we just continued destroying and harvesting stuff. And I think there's some stuff there. There's some extra stuff. Let's see what's inside. Because let's see if there's anything maybe you might want to take. Let's see. Yeah, there's some stuff. There's some books. There's some goodies, I think. I don't know.
Apples.
Yeah, but there was some stuff we didn't want to throw away, so we just left them there for now. Let's go.
Into the mountains?
I guess, yeah. Why not? Let's try. What's going on here?
Is anything moving on the map?
No, not yet. No, I don't know. All right, so let's see.
Oh, whatever happened with you were like building a sand pit in the ocean to kill those things.
Oh, I finished that whole thing. You never saw it? I did finish that whole thing. That was an amazing project. Yeah. And in fact, I think I gave you some of the products, some of the stuff, the blue.
Oh,
the blue
some of that stuff. Yeah. Oh, that was from that, huh?
Yeah. All right. Let's just do this.
Nice.
I don't even know if we're going the right way. And this must be very far, huh? Are you?
Where'd you get? I'm above you in the trees, lurking.
Right. As long as we're close. Yeah, I finished the project. So you never actually saw the complete project, did you? Alright.
Is it still there?
Yeah, of course. It's a farm. It's automatic. It automatically generates those creatures and kills them automatically and harvests their stuff automatically. It's everything.
What'd you
everything.
I lost you.
You lost me.
Oh no, I see your name.
There you are.
Beep, beep.
No idea where we're going. I don't know if this is working.
Into the trees. No. I will never mind the craft. What's up, J. Meredith? Ow. You will mind the craft and the gap.
Oh, mind the gap. Oh, no. I didn't fall though.
I heard badness. I heard adventure in the forest there. I'm gonna keep moving.
You heard adventure? What kind of?
Just a little bit of adventure.
What did it sound like?
It sounded a little bit like.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely adventure. I'm gonna take a dive. Belly flop.
Oh, that was a 9.5.
9.5. Where are we going? Where's the map? Is it even moving?
We're in the Sahara now.
I don't even know. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Did you bring water?
The desert.
Oh gosh.
Oh man.
Sand rabbits.
Sand rabbits. Dust bunnies.
Dust bunnies. I like that.
Die, dust bunny.
Get him. Nobody outdusts us. Oh, I took his delicious heart.
Nice. Alright, let's see. Any progress? Nothing. It didn't even move. I don't know.
Damn.
I don't know. But don't worry, if we lose the house, I've got the coordinates. I took a screenshot of the coordinates before we started the stream. So even if we end up in Australia or in Canada,
we're gonna end up at Amy's house. Hello, loves. Amy here.
I messaged her. I told her, "Do you want to join us today?" Minecraft. She's like, "I need to get a decent PC because it's not handling it well." So I'm like,
yeah, so Minecraft?
No, Minecraft is very no. Minecraft is very resource hungry, yeah. Very,
is it?
Yes, very. It doesn't look like much, but it's true. It's.
Did not know that.
Yeah.
I saw her over in Matt's stream, so. Oh, I think Adventure is out.
Yeah, do you want to change it to morning or do you want to handle it? Too late, I'm up.
The gods have smiled upon us and it is daytime. No trickery was involved.
Yeah, but I mean, even though I changed the night day and all that with the command, but other than that, there's no cheating. All of this is 100% survival. All of it.
Yeah, all of it.
Nothing. The dot didn't even move. I don't know what we're doing.
Man,
I have no idea where we're going.
That could mean we're like going in the wrong direction, so it's not gonna move. Like,
oh, that's right. Oh wow.
Like if we're going totally opposite, it won't have anywhere to go. It'll just stay there.
Could that be it?
I mean, maybe. I've never followed a Minecraft map.
Do you want to go this way? Do you want to take start walking this way?
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah,
we'll do 90-degree turns and see what happens.
Yeah. Die, horse! I didn't even know.
Oh, yeah, lucky. Get him.
Oh!
You set him up, I knock him down. Oh, it's what is it? I got sharpness 3 and knockback 2.
Here. There's a bunch of horses here. Lots of.
Oh, I want an all black horse. That's my real sugar butt.
Sugar butts.
Oh well. Oh yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be on my next few days off, but I think I'm gonna try Resident Evil 2.
Oh yeah! Are you gonna stream it?
Yeah.
Because, if you're not gonna stream it, don't bother.
Yeah, I'm gonna stream it. That's gonna be interesting because I literally haven't actually sat and played that game in probably like 10 years.
Wow. Okay. Wow. All right.
I mean, I've watched everybody play it over and over and over and over, but actually playing it myself. I think the last time I played it was when it came out for GameCube.
That was a while.
Like they did all the re-releases.
Yeah.
It was a long time ago. Yeah. Do you have like fast boots or something?
No, I'm
You're
really
really much faster than me.
No,
I'm not sprinting. I just damn it.
Oh, because I jump. If you want.
Oh, that's right. That makes you go faster.
Yes. Hi, welcome, Hoss. You suck.
Oh, yeah, I get it now.
That's his username. You suck.
I get it.
You suck. Nice one. GG.
GG, Sand Bunny, Dust Bunny, blah.
Last time there was there was one guy, I don't know if you were here, but there was this one guy and his username was I hate. Yeah, you were there. It was I hate. And then knee, the word knee, you know, knee? The knee?
Yeah.
Knee, and then grows. Grows. Grows.
Oh, that's, I remember that guy.
Like, hey, hello, I hate. Wait, whoa.
Oh, wait.
I'm like, whoa. Well played, man. Well played. I don't mind.
It's the
I don't mind troll usernames. Honestly, I don't. As long as hold on, I need to change position on my chair because half of my ass is asleep. There we go.
Oh yeah, why aren't you face camming now? You're a face cam streamer. You're a booby streamer.
Because the problem with this one is that I stand very close to the keyboard. Usually I take a few steps back from my monitor when I play on my PlayStation and whatever. But because this one is a keyboard and mouse game, I have to be very close to the monitor. So it would be like a face.
I think you can ban that dude.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Have a great time.
V4's here. What up, man?
It's no longer block. now.
Oh yeah, it's like
hide.
just hide them.
Okay.
That's actually better because they don't realize they've been blocked. Obviously, unless they're listening to us say this, but but
All right.
in general, they'll just keep talking and won't even know nobody can see them.
Okay, I have no idea where we're going, and the dot still hasn't moved.
I don't know where you are. Oh, there you are. That still hasn't moved. I don't know. Here we.
V4, how are you, V4?
Oh, you got a
Let me see
Luca
if the
cookie.
dot moved. It still hasn't moved. What's going on? What am I doing?
Damn
wrong?
this dot. Damn this dot.
Wait, come on. Are we gonna give up on this? No, come on. I know where
Mate, picking on my boat.
this woodland
yeah.
mansion is. I know where it is. We need to go. There's some good stuff in there. I have no idea where. No idea.
It's ours. It's ours.
The dot still hasn't moved. I don't know. And I wonder. I mean, I wonder if Nikki knows how to follow this map. I don't know.
I gotta Google. How do I follow Minecraft map? I Google it right now.
Are you?
I'm gonna Google it right now on live stream. Not that I need help because I'm a pro, but
That means I lost you. Oh, there you are. Oh, you're right behind me. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm multitasking.
Wow, how do you do that? I cannot multitask. I cannot even walk and chew gum at the same time.
Run into a pole.
On the floor, face down. Come on, Ken, let's go. I'm doing something.
I'm checking out the floor here real fast.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is this you bought this from a cartographer villager? Is that the situation?
Yeah, I bought it from the cartographer. Oh, we found the village actually. Oh, interesting. I wonder if anybody has ever been here. I wonder.
I bet somebody's been here.
Do you think? I mean, come on. We went far now. Let's see. Let's go up here. Let's park
Okay.
our vehicle.
Let's park our trucks here. What?
What happened? Okay. Let's go. Let's see what we can find. Oh, hello, villagers. Huh.
Do they need slaughtering?
Do you need slaughtering, guys? Let's see if there's anything. Let's just look around a little bit for now. Ooh.
Oh, hello.
No, I don't think anyone has ever been here, to be honest. There's still crops and stuff.
Huh? This guy will give me emeralds for a bunch of paper. No, sir. I don't think that's a fair trade.
Nothing?
How come we didn't just make our home at one of these villages and slaughter everybody and take it? They already built it for us.
Hello. There's the green guys. The green guys, nothing happens when you right click on them. I don't know why. I don't know what the green guys are.
Oh, they have like
I'm calling green. I'm wearing. I have a texture pack on, so I don't know if colors on yours, but
yeah, I watched one video of this texture pack, and the water looked crazy awesome.
Yeah, you can make this game look really pretty with texture packs.
Yeah.
All right,
hello, I'm breaking into your homes.
There's nothing. I looked around.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There's no goodies. All right. Let's
Not goodies. Not goodies.
Let me check out the map real quick. Nope. Still hasn't moved. I don't know what we're doing.
Oh yeah, let me see.
Let me see. Let me just look it up myself as well. Let's see. How to follow map Minecraft. Let's see if that.
Well, this says
exploration
the
maps.
player icon is smaller than it would be on a normal map. That means the player is a great distance away. When the player is less than 1,027 blocks away from the map border, the icon will return to the proper size.
Yeah, that I know. Yeah, but once
it doesn't really help.
Yeah, once it's off screen. Explorer map. There are two types of explorer maps: woodlands and ocean. The one I found is woodlands. Let's see. Let me just. Running both for cartographers, usage. Alright, maps and mapping, map content, locating structures. There are two types of explorers. The maps differ from normal maps. It shows the areas as well as the orange. Okay, this may be not the. The structures are displayed as a small icon. Alright, see that? If the player icon is small, that would be a normal map. That means the. Alright, I'm reading the same thing you are. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea what we can do. Can we make the map bigger? I think we can make the map bigger. It's like wider.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do with it, but yeah, find out how.
Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's keep swimming. Let's keep swimming and stuff. And if we run into some what's it called? If we run into some bamboo or whatever it's called, sugar canes, we convert them into paper and start working on making the map bigger and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Which way are we starting here?
How do I sponsor a YouTube gaming thing? There's like a button that says sponsor, but it depends where you're located because it's not available to all the countries. I mean, it's not. It's not available in my country, to be honest with you. It's not available in my country. In order for me to sponsor somebody, I need to get a VPN, or yes, then check YouTube that I'm in a different location, like Germany or Canada or whatever, and.
Yeah, the button should be right above the chat if it is available to you.
So for me to sponsor, it's quite a hassle, but I do it. I still do it for a few people's. All right.
Are you? Oh, you're already voted.
Yeah, I'm in the boat. There you go.
Yeah, I'm coming down. Die cow! I missed. You got lucky. Oh, Jesus!
What's going on?
I hit the cow. I thought I missed him, but my sword actually hit him, and then I ran forward and he fell on me.
All right. Keep an eye out for. I dropped the map! I dropped the map! I dropped the map! I dropped the map!
I got it!
Okay.
Oh!
That's the same way I lost a very precious sword.
I'm gonna give it to you on land. Just for safety.
Yeah, hold on to it for now. I just pressed Q instead of W. I pressed Q instead of W to move forward, and that's it. Threw it away. Oh man, I hate that. I am Maltese, yes. Usually it's underneath chat, the sponsor button, if you go on YouTube Gaming. But again, if you don't see it, it means it's not available for. I'm gonna sneeze. Are you ready?
Do it.
That was a strong one. That was the force. All right, again.
Yes. The sneeze is strong with you.
The force is strong. All right, I found some bamboo over here. I still call them bamboo.
Is that good? You want bamboo?
I call them bamboo, but they're sugar canes now. They used to be called bamboo in the alpha days. Alright, let's go this way.
Oh! You're breaking my boat!
This way. So yeah, let's grab all the sugar cane that we can find. I'm going to Malta. So are you serious? Really? You're coming to Malta?
Wow!
Awesome sauce! It's not nice. I'm kidding.
Where are you from? Where are you from, Luca Cookie?
Cookie.
Alright,
so I'm gonna come.
Oh, it's a dead end.
Oh, come on! I
What?
need to learn the buttons again.
Oh, you're there.
I'm from Sweden.
The Sweden.
Alright, so. Is it moving on the. Yeah, can you give me the map back? So
Oh, yeah.
So, did it move?
Yeah, I was almost gonna go to Sweden.
I was like. Did it move? But no, I think it's just
No.
wishful thinking. Sweden? I was in Rome last.
You're in Rome.
I was
gonna go to Sweden or Switzerland, but I ended up on Canada. I think I'm gonna go there next month. I've never been to Canada.
Where in Canada are you going? If you don't
By Calgary.
Okay, I've been there for like a couple of hours though. I was in Vancouver. I went to Vancouver twice actually. I've been to Vancouver twice.
Wait a minute. I lost you completely. I fell in the water and I don't know where I am.
Don't worry. I'll worst case scenario.
Did you go up?
I'll teleport or something.
Oh, I see you.
So me, I have a total of 4 bamboos now. Sugar canes. Call them sugar canes. Hey Gamer MZ, welcome to the stream.
What up, gamer?
Welcome. Let me just see if I can. I want to say it's moving, but I think it's just me.
There you are. It's just your eye playing tricks on you.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I went to Rome. We went skiing. It was my first time, like, enjoying the snow, really. And we went up the mountains. Well, no, well, I think qualifies as saying up the mountains because it was, yeah, it was up the mountains. It was so nice, though. All right, ready to go?
There we go. Yeah, I'm trying to go hiking up there. It's gonna be so cool. I think 40 is gonna be the high.
Red, welcome, welcome, Red. How are you?
Red.
I need to organize a Pokemon battle. You and me. You and me.
Oh yeah.
We need to...
I already know how. I'm gonna stream it too. I'm gonna stream it.
How are you gonna stream it? Wait.
You'll see how I'm
really?
gonna stream it.
Really? Potato stream.
Potato.
Really? Are you gonna do a potato stream?
Yeah, up close and personal. All right, that's how the people like it.
Are you streaming with Facecam today?
I am.
All right.
I think. Nobody's in here, so I think nobody noticed.
I was thinking maybe after Minecraft we can have our battle, or do you want to dedicate a stream for it? Well, we might as well dedicate.
I mean, I could do one after. I can't stream forever and ever, but yeah, man, I'm down. Or we can. I don't even know. Do I need like
the streaming
friend code? I don't even know how it works.
You can stream forever and ever. Come on, you're all about the streaming life.
I am a hardcore pro streamer, but
come on, dude.
Everybody knows this. I'm all about 24-hour streams, like a beast.
Ah, yeah, I forgot to retweet your stream saying like it's the time of the month again.
I have a friend stalking me on Discord, just saying, "Why are you playing Minecraft?" Just quit stalking me.
Why are you playing? What do you mean why? It's fun. Look, I take my pants off. Look. Look at that. Look at my shit stain.
It's a beautiful thing.
Beautiful.
As a San Italia, that's a beautiful. Oh.
Remind me to put my pants back on if we run into danger.
If we get danger, put your diamond underwear back on. with your diamond shit stain.
Yes, and of course, obviously, when I say if we run into danger, remind me to put my diamond armor pants back on. Not because for safety, but I don't want you to see me shit my pants.
I'm like, oh, Vloggy, that stain looks bigger for some reason.
That's a new stain. Alright, so let's see if it moved the dots or anything. No, nothing. No movement.
No, damn it.
No movement. Nothing. Man, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. I honestly don't. We'll see. Let's keep swimming.
Just keep swimming. Oh wait, don't leave me behind. I wasn't texting. If that's what you think.
I don't see you. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm behind you. Ramming speed. Huh.
Oh, there you are. Now I turned around and I have no idea which way we're going.
This way.
Alright. That's how easily I get confused. Like, I turned around. Was I going this way or not? Alright. Okay. Take a look at the map again. Nope, nothing. Hasn't moved. We need help. We really need help. Because I don't think we're gonna find it on our own. We are incompetent.
No, we are adventurers. Blazing a trail.
Where's my boat? Oh, okay. It takes
Not
a while
getting...
for it to show up, the boat.
Whoa, where'd my boat go? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, it takes a while for it to show once you get off the boat. I don't know why, but that's how it is. Oh, more sugar cane. Let me go grab it. So how many do I have right now? I have 12. That should be something, I think. Let's see. Let me place down the workbench. Let me see if I can do something.
Are you gonna build?
So, does it make a difference if I do this? I wonder. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't work. So, how does it work?
Work. How do it?
I don't know how it works. I don't know how to make the map better. I have paper. Do I need another map Do I
Oh god, I pressed shift too many times to turn on sticky keys.
Sticky keys!
That's worked too hard, man.
Alright, so I think, do you happen to have, no, you don't, definitely don't. Maybe we need to craft a compass or something to make more maps, I don't know. I think we need to make more maps. Follow me, let's see if we can find some, I don't know, we need to find some redstone. Some blood diamond. You don't happen to have any on you, do you?
Oh no, what do you need that for now that I actually don't have any?
Yeah, to make a compass.
Oh, well, is that gonna help us with the map, or doesn't that just get us home?
With a compass you can create a map, and then I think with extra maps I can extend the map and make the view zoom out. So
oh, hey, cheers here. What up, cheer? I thought you were streaming.
How did your stream go? I looked at it, I saw you had like 18 people, no, 16 people watching. I'm like, what? What? You became famous?
Cheers all PewDiePie now and shit.
Yeah, you became the next Logan Paul.
Oh, ouch. Burn.
Next Logan Paul. I'm sorry. That wasn't even funny. No.
Cheer, even though Vloggy insulted you horribly, how do we find things on a Minecraft map? Use your Minecraft powers. Help us, Tom Cruise.
It's not even moving.
Use your magic powers.
It's not even moving. It's not even funny right now. Should we teleport home and experiment with this map a little bit, perhaps? Ooh, hello. We have a hole here. I smell adventure. No, I don't want to risk this. Alright, let me teleport home. Can you wait here for a little bit?
Okay.
I'm gonna teleport home. And then I'll grab some more stuff. Hey, Nebby, hello, welcome. Alright, hold on, give me a sec. So, where's the... Okay, I had a screenshot. Where is it? Where did I save it? Oh, man. Where did I put it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Just gonna eat some raw... Man, I got raw beef and raw rabbit on.
Pictures, let's see. It's not in pictures. Where did I put it? I think I saved... I called it ironing as coordinates. C-O-O. No, it's not here. No, where is it?
It's getting dark. I'm gonna hide in this hole.
Coordinates. What's going on?
Oh
what
my
did you
god!
do to me?
I thought I fell into a cavern or something.
Alright, hold on. You almost killed
Just
me.
gonna cover Oh, you can bury yourself in sand. That's terrifying. Whoa! Vloggy, why are we in this giant hole? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
What happened?
Look at this, look at this.
Yeah, but I mean, I literally dug one hole 3 squares down, and now we fell into a giant cavern.
Whoa!
Oh, that's what happened.
Did you see that?
I saw that.
I
didn't know that's what I did. I'm pretty sure I might have had some.
Right,
no, I didn't have anything to do with
I
that.
need to TP out of here. So, TP.
Alright.
So, 278. 68. I hope this works. 306. Bye, have a great time.
Bye.
Oh, nice. Alright, I'm gonna teleport you back to me.
You had an unexpected guest. What happened there, Sheer?
TP, through Nightfall, VloggyBuddy. Boom. Alright, so chill in my place for now, for a little bit, while I reorganize everything. So, we need some of this.
Hello, parrot.
I need some iron.
You want some chicken? Nope, you don't want chicken. What about a raw rabbit? Nope, not
Let me
interested.
see if I can fix this. So, to make compass is like this and like this. Now I made a compass, and now to make a map. Alright, now I made a map. Now if I do this and do this. Okay, Woodland Explorer map number 9. Let's see what it gives me. Oh, I just duplicated it! That's all I did!
Oh boy.
That's not what I had in mind. How do I zoom this out? I don't know. Hey, awesome face of space. Welcome. I duplicated. I don't know how to do this. I need to read. Hold on, because I'm trying to be cocky here, trying to So, alright, so empty map, empty map, empty map, empty map, and then the output will have same map center as but same or marker. Clone maps are stackable. Cloning, but this is how to clone. Ocean Explorer map. Ocean Explorer map. But this is how to clone. Map. How do you zoom it out? That's the thing. Treasure Hunter.
I'm gonna Googleize this some more.
Yeah, how do you make? How do you zoom out the map? That's my question. I have no idea. Let me see if I can make Minecraft zoom. Zoomed out map. It says so here. Alright, zoomed out map. Tutorials. I have no idea how this is done.
Cheer has abandoned us.
Map basics. Oh man, it's like this whole article is on how to do this. I don't want to learn everything about maps.
Mapping. Oh yeah, that's the whole
map contents.
The whole
map item format. Map ingredients. Map locator. Alright, 1 block, 2 blocks. Alright, there it is. So, total amount of paper needed to craft this. Alright, so it's 16 papers. But how do you craft it? That's the thing.
The zoom functions. How do you do this? Zoom details. The zoom functions from the time you center the map zoom level 0 to the largest zoom level 4.
Let me see if I can make another map real quick.
The amount of paper needed to craft is 40. How much paper do you have?
Not enough actually, but that's fine. That's fine. Now you can make more. It's fine.
Cheer, we were trying to figure out how we can zoom out on what the map Vloggy has because it's the little dot isn't moving and we just adventured for days.
Okay, never mind. I thought it was a creeper. Oh, it was just the vine.
I didn't have my hands on the keyboard.
Okay, there's loads of mobs.
Yeah, there's a lot of creepers over there.
Yeah, careful.
They are creeping on you hard.
It's danger. Time to switch it.
Yeah, die. Creepers don't explode in sunlight?
No, they don't. And why is it lagging? Why is the game lagging? Why am I losing frames?
All the skeletons are in the water over there.
That's so weird. Now it's working fine again. So, careful, because there's a bunch of creepers hiding in the grass, and it's so hard to identify them. Oh wow, there's like 2 now. 1.
Where are we trying to go? Ah! There's another one on the corner. Ah! Get him! I'm in here cheering you on. Go, Vloggy, go!
Alright.
Yay!
Let me see. Oh, there's some. Oh, there's loads. Oh, okay. Hello, skeleton. Oh, nice hidey hole. There we go. Alright, so. Go grab the...
Oh! A Slenderman! Ah!
Slenderman!
I'm inside!
Slenderman.
Oh, Jesus!
It is no Slenderman.
Cheer, I have no idea. I never really on the maps in Minecraft. Damn.
A bunch of more stuff. I'm coming back.
Well, yeah. Do you know how to make the zoom step?
Hold on, let me just see if I can do this real quick. Hold on, because I'm sure there's a way. Let me just place the block again. Okay, I don't need to do that. Hold on. So, more paper.
Because on this thing it shows zoom step 0, which kind of looks like the one you have is like 8 paper. How much paper did you use to make it?
A whole circle. I don't know. All right, so I made another map now. So I cannot leave it empty. Do I need to open it? That's the thing. I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. So if I put this empty map and I put this one here, it's gonna explore map 9. No. So what if I open the map? Can I combine maps? That's the thing. Alright, so I open the map. Now, can I combine it?
I'm gonna go on YouTube.
What is going on? So, map 11 and map 9. No, nothing happens. I don't know how this works. Hey, awesome face of space. No, it's on realms. It's a realm. It's a realm. I don't know. I don't know how this is done.
How to make Minecraft
Explore a
map bigger.
9. And I have map 11.
Don't worry, I'm.
So this is not what I want to do. Let me try something else. I don't know. I'm wasting so much iron to do this, but I don't care. Because I'm making a bunch of compasses to make this work. But whatever. Alright, let's try again. Papers. Oh, I can only make 2 more.
It's right here right now.
Hey, cheer. Maybe like this. No, this is gonna keep making copies of it. No, this is not how it works.
Hmm.
I don't know. Woodlands Explorer map. I have no idea. That's so strange. How do I do this? How do I combine the maps? That is the thing. I mean...
Larger.
Here's what
Come on, YouTube. Give me tips on how to make these maps bigger. How to make maps bigger and show your location. That's what I want.
I don't know.
So paper. That is a lot of sugar cane. Could you my exact location where I am? As you guys can see,
Where you at?
as well.
I'm in the glass house of emotion. The greenhouse.
The greenhouse? You wanna take a different direction, see if it makes any difference? And I've got a map for you now, so we can both look at the map, see if it makes any difference.
Okay.
So you can see if it moves or anything. So, yeah. I don't know. Here's one map for you. So, you have your own, I have my own, and... let's go. Let's take this direction now. Let's go this way. Nostraland, you know, this way. I don't know.
Which way's this way?
Towards the...
No.
I lost you. Where are you?
Up there.
Hey, Kid Chu. Hello, welcome.
Kid Chu?
Alright, let's go this way. Maybe it's this way. I don't know. I know nothing.
Nothing could go wrong.
Let's go this
Wait,
way.
we went this way, right? Oh, I thought that was the dragon. I'm like, oh, that's just a weird, I don't know what that is.
That's a spawner for mobs, but it doesn't work very well. I didn't do that, obviously. That's why it doesn't work very well, because it's not me who built it.
It's not the expert. The expert Minecraft.
You're my tail, right? You're right behind me.
I'm on your wing.
Let's see. There you are. There you are. And I'm gonna show you my build.
I got you. Oh, I already see it in the ground there. Jeez.
It's a massive product that I have made myself. But yeah, let's park the vehicle here. And let's go downstairs.
Yeah, we'll park our trucks here. Oh, Yakbus.
Check this out, man. Now what you need to do is...
Holy crap.
Hold on. You need to...
Trying to kill me here.
Drop down. Whee!
What?
Drop down.
Jesus. Oh! Ow! Ow! I hit the ledge. Why, Lucky? I trusted you.
So basically what's going on here is I have a farm with.
What the hell?
This is a machine that generates those bad guys, and they die, and they automatically drop these stuffs.
What does a Prismera shard do?
With the shards, you can actually craft these lovely green blocks.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how it works. But yeah, so basically, what happens is there's a giant pool up there where they spawn. They will start sinking down, and once they reach the fence areas, they won't be able to go back up. Then they fall into the lava. They will not be able
I
to
see one now.
Yeah, it's gonna fall into the lava, has no choice. There we go. And it's just gonna hop around, keep burning and burning and burning and burning. It's gonna take a while because they're very strong.
Nice.
Like once they burn, their drops will fall into the hoppers and automatically redirect them in the chests accordingly. There we go. See? And their stuff get dropped in the so yeah. These are very rare blocks. They actually light up as well. Look, time set night. Look, oh wow, it's caps lock. Time set 9999999. Look, you see the blocks light up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that.
Nice.
Alright, let's go back. I just wanted to show you. I wanted to show off my creation. Alright, more up. Only I eat chicken.
Buddy, don't eat and climb ladders, buddy. That's dangerous. Alright.
Let's go.
Oh, you got like creepers down there, man.
Yeah,
on your
because I
hood.
changed it tonight. Alright, so let's go. We go this way. We go this way. We go this way.
Yes, nothing could go wrong this way. I wish it at least pointed like the little dot had like an arrow which way we're facing. That would
Exactly.
be a little
yes,
helpful.
once we get in the frame of the map, it will give us an arrow, but right now it's just.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know.
That is janky. You know nothing, Vloggy Snow.
Oh, I think the dot
Did it
just
move?
moved a little bit. I don't know. Maybe it's just wishful thinking. Let's see. No, I don't think so. Let's keep going straight, and we'll see.
Ah.
You're still behind me, right?
Yep.
No, I don't think the dot is moving, but I'm gonna keep going straight. We'll see. How am I supposed to know which way I need to go if you give me a map with treasure and you're like, this is where the treasure is. Alright, but where am I on the map? Oh, you're way out of the map. Oh, okay. That doesn't make sense.
It's on a different continent. Is there like an edge to this map?
Is that like... Gosh! You were saying?
Is there an edge to the map? Like, does it end, or does this keep just generating?
Feels like somebody's been here. Look at this. Look at this over here.
Oh yeah, not me.
Somebody built a shack.
The love shack out here.
It's a dirt one, so I think it's probably Nikki. I don't know.
Nikki's always living in big piles of dirt.
It's amazing. The dot still hasn't moved. I don't know. Sad.
Oh god, it hasn't. Ah, octopus, get off.
Octopus? It's a squid.
Whatever.
I need to teach you animals.
It's got tentacles and it's dangerous.
You missed my dancing yesterday, did you?
Dancing?
Yeah.
Oh, I knew you were streaming, but I was at work.
I did my dance. I did a dance.
Oh, and I bet you deleted the video too.
Yeah, because it was a song request. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I posted it on Discord. If you go on Discord, scroll up. I posted the clip though, because I recorded it with my phone. Yeah, because I was listening to songs and I was like, guys, make sure the songs you request are good, because otherwise I'll skip them and you'd get salty. So request good songs. And I even requested a song. He's like, this song, and I'm like, And
Get good.
it started. I'm like, I don't know the song. You're in
Get
danger.
good at request.
And then, you know, it started really. You know, the beat really started. I'm like, and I started dancing. I lost it. That's it. That's my role.
I had the song inside me.
Oh man, the dot still hasn't moved. Come on.
And no, it hasn't. So this house is that we're supposed to go to is like in the middle of the water? That seems dangerous.
No, the house is in the middle of a forest. And
A forest?
Yeah. And it's called.
Is that what it shows on your map?
The map hasn't. It's because we still haven't been in the map. It still hasn't loaded. So.
Oh.
But yes, the where it's striped. That's the water where it's striped.
That's water?
Yeah, as you can see.
I thought that was land.
Nah, that's like a river. As you can see, that's like a river.
Oh. What the hell?
So I don't know. I don't know where we're going. Give me a sign, please.
Squids. Squid, our overlord, squid masters.
Look,
help.
another temple. Oh wow, look, I found another one of those. Oh wow.
I lost you.
I found
Where'd
another.
you go?
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I was looking at my map and I took a wrong turn at Albuquerque.
Keep going straight.
Alright, I'm going straight.
I'm coming back. If I teleport you to me now, you're gonna lose your boat.
Yeah,
That's the
back.
thing.
If oh yeah, don't do that. Oh yeah, I see it. Well, I see the thing. So yeah, you gotta be nearby. I see the temple.
You see the temple?
Yeah. I don't see you though.
Alright, let me just get closer to the temple, maybe. Could it be another temple? Because I don't see you either.
I'm like almost on top of this temple, and I don't want. Oh!
I don't see you, huh? I don't
What the hell
see
just
you.
happened?
Oh,
Why
I
do
see you,
have
I
a
see you, there you
spoon?
are. I see you, there you are.
I have a spoon on my screen. What happened? Why is there a spoon and like a demon ghost just flew in front of my face? What does that mean?
You got jump scared.
Oh my god!
I'm right behind you.
Minecraft jump scared me. I gotta delete this video. That's bullshit.
I need to watch this. I need to see that. Don't you dare.
Oh my god!
I need to see that.
Put the map away, damn it!
I found you. There you are. Alright, hold on.
Get my sword out. Anybody comes near me. Oh, I'm like glowing and spoony.
Ah, yes, you are glowing. Yeah. You are glowy. Alright, ready to go? Keep going?
Yeah.
Come on, don't be a baby. I want to see you jump. I want to see you jump. You got jump scared by Minecraft. Come on, a game for kids.
Stupid kids. I hate kids. It's all their fault. When's this spoon gonna go away? Why is that even an icon?
It should. If you go into your inventory, it will show you the amount of seconds left for the effect to wear off.
Where?
If you press E to get to the inventory, it should show on the side like how many seconds left. It should.
I mean, I see the icon kind of faded out, but it's not showing anything.
It's amazing. Still nothing. I keep going straight, but nothing. This is unbelievable. I had all this adventure planned for us.
It's not about the destination, it's about the journey.
Journey.
Man. And we journeyed hard on our Minecrafts.
Let me just open the map real quick. Oh, we are moving! We're moving!
Whoa! Well, let me see. Oh, we did! What does that mean?
Okay, so
need
moving
to
forward,
go-
moved us to the right.
So, if we go left, will that go like up towards it?
So, if we keep moving straight, look. So, it should be right in front of us like this. Look at this, keep going straight. So now it should
Oh
be
yeah,
above us.
wow, yeah, we're moving,
In
yeah.
one direction. We need to choose a direction now. Either in front of us? No, it can't be in front of us. So in front of us is out of the question, definitely. In front of us is out of the question.
I think
because they keep taking us that way. Now it's either this way or this.
It's gotta be left, right? Like,
So
that
it's
should take us
moving
up.
here, it takes us here. So is it left? Yeah, that's right. Left. So it's this way,
Yeah,
right?
it should be. Yeah.
All right. So let's keep going left. All right.
Oh.
There's the
Take the
adventure
boat,
for
man.
you. There's the
Take
adventure
your
for
boat.
you.
There's water here. Take the boat.
All right. So we go. Yeah. All right. There's more water.
Yeah.
Okay. I like to go on
I hope.
foot.
Take it on foot. I hope left.
I like
My
feet.
icon doesn't.
I like feet.
Oh. Whoa, what?
I'm into feet. Actually, not. Not.
Nah. Oh god, my boat. Oh crap. Oh, my boat's gone.
No, what do you mean your boat's gone?
I knocked it off to pick it up. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Whew. It sunk a little deeper than anticipated. We're all right. All right. How are we looking on this map here?
So yeah, we need to keep going straight, I assume.
Well, I have to probably do like 1,000 blocks to move it now.
Yeah, we're probably very far away, but still.
Progress!
Progress. Now, we should start seeing some... As soon as we start getting close, we should start seeing some changes. Yeah, like the map actually starts taking color.
Oh, I wondered why the map looks so weird because I've seen Minecraft maps and they're all like green and they show the mountains. We're back to life. Bloop.
Bloop. Let's go.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time. You're Paul Walker. I'm Vin Diesel. I think I'm gonna. You're not gonna make it this trip.
Alright, so let's see.
Did we moved on the map? No.
No, not yet.
Have we?
I have a feeling it's gonna be a while.
I got a feeling.
Please try not to sing because your singing will get me copyright claimed from the Black Eyed Peas.
Damn you, Black Eyed Peas.
It happened. It really happened to
yeah.
Captain Sparkles. He was singing Wrecking Ball, and it
Oh,
got
yeah?
copyright claimed Wrecking Ball. Like, are you kidding? He was just singing it without any music or anything. He's just singing it.
I got a claim. Oh, I think it's on my one of my Sims videos. The radio came on, and I actually recognized the song, and I'm like, oh hell no, copyright claim. And like, I mean, it was on for maybe 10 seconds, and I got a copyright claim on it. Like,
Wow. All right, keep going straight. I think we're going in the right direction. Let's keep going.
I smell the adventure this way,
Do you want
and
to deal with the night? Do you want to deal with the night, or do you want me to turn it into morning?
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
I'm afraid I'm not ghost either.
Ah, cavern.
Whoa! Did you do that? Did you jump over?
That guy. Oh god damn it! I changed my mind. I'm afraid of ghosts.
All right, switching.
Zombie perfectly knocked me into that cavern. Now you're gone. There you are.
I found the village over here.
If anybody asks, If anybody asks, I wasn't scared just then though.
Yes, you were. You were terrified, especially when that monster showed up on your screen earlier. Jump scare.
What was that monster doing there?
All right, so let's take a look around because this village has been this one's been unexplored for sure. I want to see if there's a blacksmith. Blacksmith.
Oh. Hey, are you a blacksmith, mister?
Oh, so there's a blacksmith over here. Toolsmith, actually.
He's a fisherman. Oh, whoa. A cleric. I don't believe in that voodoo.
What's a cleric?
I don't know, but he's gonna...
I've never seen a village made out of this type of wood.
Yeah, we should rob them of their wood. You, innocent villager, give me everything you have. You wanna live?
Fisherman. Alright, you wanna keep moving?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I think we're close.
I'm gonna kill one just to show who's boss.
Alright, yeah, kill one. Show them who's boss.
Yeah, I have to set an example, like, if we come back and you don't have our money, this is gonna happen again. Alright.
Tell the others what you saw.
Yeah.
Tell the others that I let you live.
Yep, it's like 300. I let that little kid live, so you go tell him.
The ice cream truck is outside.
Ice cream truck? In game?
No, in game. No, in real life.
Get me a Choco Taco. Oh man, I could go for a chocolate taco right now.
Chocolate taco. Never heard
Oh, have you had one of those?
No. Oh, maybe we know it by a different name. I don't know.
Hey, well, I mean, it's like a taco, but the taco is made of like waffle, and then the inside is like vanilla ice cream, and then it's coated with chocolate on the top. It's so good.
Hello, Dylan. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you again. Welcome.
What up, Dylan? Dylan?
Up.
Ron.
Are we
moving at all?
Are we
I feel like we're still moving. We're still moving right somehow. Is that possible?
No. We just
Like a 90-degree turn. That shouldn't be right. Oh, where'd you go?
Don't say that. No. We're still good.
Are you in the water?
No. Just keep walking towards the. Hold on.
The water, right?
There you are. Yeah. Let's go this way because we have moved to the right a little bit.
Okay.
I want to be straight.
You want to be straight, huh? Well, sometimes. It's 2018 vlog. You can be whatever you want to be.
All right. Let's keep going.
Hitting the nas.
Let me check the map.
Oh, Dylan lost some pants. The house always wins, Dylan.
The house always wins. Yes, it's in favor of my casino. Obviously, I run a casino in chat.
Oh.
See?
Oh man,
Still
such unexplored. Is it moving?
It's the Let's go around this island. Let's go around if we can.
Yeah. Oh man, we gotta start making some progress here.
Well, I already made some progress.
Well, yeah, we have. That's good. We hopefully the left wasn't wrong.
No.
Left makes sense though. Left makes sense.
Yes,
Going right seems like it would just take us south.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
So if we do get lost, let's go ahead and blame Dylan.
Why, Dylan? Why did you?
Why, Dylan? What have we ever done to you? Come on, Matt. Show me the. Where are we going again? Haunted house?
It's a mansion. It's called the Woodland Mansion.
Oh, it's gonna be the dead people that got killed by me mansion after I'm through with it.
It's gonna be awesome. You haven't seen any of these, so it's get ready for danger. Lots and lots of danger.
Oh, aka my middle name.
We may have to set up a base as well, actually.
Okay.
Because if we die, we don't want to go back.
We'll set up a forward operating base, military style.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, we're like going left now somehow. Is it possible? Look at the map, we've gone left.
Yeah, probably the current.
Like, the current is Minecraft that realistic?
That's okay, don't worry. We're good.
Should we go around this one or over it?
Let's go over it. Just in case, so we keep following this
path.
Run through the woods. Follow the path of true ninja.
Do you know the way?
I am Sensei.
Sensei Vloggy. Totally Japanese.
Go chicken, go!
Running.
Okay, I think that in about 3 minutes, we're gonna start seeing the pin moving forward.
Are you? Where? There. Think so? 3 minutes, eh? Super specific, but alright.
Yeah, I'm
Hey, Dylan, subscribe.
Thank you for subscribing to VloggyBuddy.
Oh, I missed the. I'm gonna go back and listen
he
to these
subscribed a while ago. Actually, he's just.
Oh. Swimming with pantsless Vloggy.
Oh yeah, I'm without pants. I'm still without pants. Oh yeah, that's right. Let me check the map real quick. Oh, I have a feeling about this. We're gonna be very close.
Oh yeah.
This is happening. This is happening.
Hey, is that another village up here?
Could be. Oh, yes, it is. Wow.
I'm swimming. Don't pass me in your boat. I'm gonna break it.
Get in my boat.
Get into my car.
Get in my boat.
Get in my boat, boy. Yes, sir. Oh, they have like a whole bridge here. These are fancy villagers. Let's go rob them. Hey, you, green man, what you got for me? Nothing.
Yeah, let's bully these guys. Hey!
Yeah, hey.
Give us your
Where's
lunch
our money? We just went to your friends across town, and they didn't have our money. You don't want problems, do you? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna steal this crafting block, because we might need it for our new adventure.
Oh, another cartographer. Oh! I don't have enough paper.
Stolen his crafting block.
I don't have enough paper. Do you have paper on you, by any chance?
No. There's bookshelves up here. If I break it, do I get paper?
Yes! No.
No?
No, but the
do it anyway,
you should still take those books, though. You should still take those books, because bookshelves are hard to make, so... Yeah.
Stealing your books, guys! Now, you don't want to pay. This is what happens. We steal your books.
Steal your stuff. Oh, there's more books over here.
Oh, yeah. What you got in here, huh? What you hiding, old man?
How do I get in? Where's the door? Where's the
Make a door. Make a door. They want to try and hide from us. We break in.
There wasn't even a... Oh, there was here.
Okay. There was a door.
I went around the house and I still didn't see the door.
You! Did you just try and hide that from us? Now you die for your troubles. Oh wait, he's a librarian. Do we need him? Oh no, he takes paper. Yeah, die! You got any paper for us? What about you, Mr. Photographer Man?
No, spare his life. Spare his life. Tell the others what he saw.
You're lucky today, Cartographer Man.
Alright, let's check the map.
Am I crazy or is everything on fire over there?
Is it? What?
I see a lot of fire in the distance.
Oh. Whoa, yeah, it can't be. Oh, wow, how is that possible? No, are you kidding me?
Is there lightning over here?
Ah, there's a pool of lava, that's why.
Oh. How did these trees grow in the first place? I got a bucket of water if that lava tries to pick a fight. I'm gonna die.
Alright, let's see if I can... Ooh, I'm being shot at.
Oh, there's a skeleton. I knocked him back into the sun with my knockbacks.
Alright, let me see. The map, still nothing so far.
How are we looking? Dang, we're right on the tip of the fake map.
Yes,
I think we're
very close. Like
we're making progress.
Incredibly close.
I believe in us. I believe in the power of the true Vloggy.
We got this. We got this. I'm telling you.
Ow. Oh, I'm hungry. I didn't even notice. Starving over here. Yum 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 yum.
I'm telling you, this is it. This is gonna be it. This is like, I'm so sure. I haven't been sure of anything in my life except this. All right, so time to boat this thing up.
Oh nope. Left? You go that way?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get off the boat again.
Oh. You taking your sugars?
No, I won't.
Pour some sugar on me. Oh, that's right, copyright. They're gonna get you for that one, Vloggy. You shouldn't have said that.
Still nothing. Wow.
Well, we're actually going more left now.
Yeah.
I don't understand this. We need to go like at an angle now.
No, we're probably going at an angle and we're not even realizing probably. You know how it is.
You know how Minecraft maps work. Chicken! Oh!
What are you doing? Stop
I didn't realize my knockback just annihilates those chicken. They ain't got nothing on me.
Two bullies on Minecraft, you and me. We're bullying everyone. Alright, so...
Bullying the whole server.
Let's keep going. I have an idea.
Going over these mountains.
Over these mountains is the reward, I'm telling you.
This is it.
This is it. I'm telling you. Oh, watch out, there's creepers.
Oh.
Alright, keep going.
Don't
Creeper,
creep
go
on
up.
me, man. Oh, my feet are cold.
Hello again, Kid2. Welcome.
Hello twice.
Hello to the power of 2. Alright.
Oh.
Okay, leap of faith, where are you? Leap of faith. Geronimo!
Where's my eagle sound? Wasn't as epic as I thought. There was no bale of hay down here.
Alright, now I have a feeling that now it's okay. No, still nothing.
This? Oh, we're far right now. I don't understand this map at all now. I might have been way off.
Right. No, it's just
Not far.
right.
We got this.
No, we got this.
We've already adventured to 2 new villages. Pioneers!
So far. That's okay, no problem, no problem.
Oh, there's like a weird ledge over there. It's trippy.
Come on. Should be very close, I think. I have a feeling.
Give us what we want. Give us what we want.
Are you right behind me? There you are. Okay.
I got you.
I'm gonna eat something.
I got your poop stained rear. Don't you worry about it. Oh god, I just fall into this like 4x4 lava pit and die.
Can you imagine if you did that? That'd be so like.
You would see me rage quit so hard.
No. No, please.
Just stream man.
I'm telling you, we're almost
Stream
there.
man. Total silence. Just. We got this. Out of my way, mountain goat.
Out of my way, mountain goat.
And your friend.
Still nothing. Wow.
What you know about sharpness level 3?
Oh wow, how are we gonna
This
get
is
down
really
here?
This is a really steep hill we got here.
I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down.
Yeah. Oh, careful, Vloggy. We're not wearing the proper safety equipment.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
Wish hiking was this easy in real life.
Nightfall, give him his cow. He said.
Nightfall, give him my cow.
Ivan has a thing for cows now. It's like his new thing.
Did I steal his cow? I mean, that sounds like something I'd do, but I don't remember doing it.
Alright. Hey, Max, welcome. Pew pew indeed. Pew pew indeed.
What up, Max? I just
Max,
pew-pewed that
Max.
mountain goat.
Oh! I was gonna say
I'm hearing a lot of slaps. Is this on PC? Yes, because PC Master Race.
Oh, PC Master Race. PC Master Race. People are running out of things to say. Words to come up with. Hey Max, do you want to see Pew Pew? Max, do you want to see Pew Pew? I want to show you Pew Pew. Hold on.
Yeah, I see what you're doing. He's standing away from me. I got dodges, baby. You can't hit me. What you got, Black? You can't hit me. I'm the gingerbread man. Ooh! Yeah, buddy. Oh, 0 for 4. What you got? Oh, 0 for 5, Black.
Oh,
okay.
Gotcha. I got you, right?
You got me. First try.
That's it. No more. You want to try? You want to give it a shot?
Nah. I'll betray you later.
Alright, let's keep going forward. We need to make this
Zebra!
Zebra? There's zebras in the game?
It's a spotted animal with 4 legs. Clearly a zebra.
No, zebras aren't spotted.
Yeah, the spotted zebra. It's a different breed. You don't know.
Oh, that would be awesome. Spotted zebras.
What?
Spotted zebras. They don't exist. We should make them up.
Yeah, let's genetically engineer one. Why not?
Let's create spotted zebras. I don't want to look it up. See if it exists.
Midstream. What about spotted zebras here, guys? Hold on.
Spotted zebras. Interesting.
Passing Vloggy with my skills.
I'm starting to worry now, huh? We've been walking in this direction for a very long time and still nothing.
Yeah, we went right a lot somehow. Despite not going right at all.
Maybe you got it wrong.
But if I did, would it have moved on the lower part of the map? We should still be within like 1,000, or what that thing say we read? If you're within 1,000, it starts to show where you are.
Still nothing. Alright, let's see.
We'll probably accidentally run into another house that we didn't have on our map just because we've gone so far.
This is so cool. If we get to it,
Ah!
it's so
I
amazing.
fell into a tree. Where'd you go?
There's such a thing as spotted zebra.
What? How dare they steal my idea?
Striped zebra shark? What?
Zebra shark.
I don't know.
Deadly
I
ends.
don't know.
I don't know where you are.
Really? Just keep walking straight.
Oh, I thought I was.
Yeah, we're very close. Just keep. I see
Ow.
you. I see you. Just keep going forward.
See me? All right.
I don't know. Are we going even further? I don't know. Honestly, don't.
Out the way, cowman.
I want to try something. Because I don't want to waste more time. I want to try something.
Yeah.
So let's do. What's going on here? All right. So let me try something. Let me get my X coordinates on screen. So we are walking this way. So so 36. All right. So what if I T? So I'm gonna teleport myself 1,000 blocks. TP. So TP. I'm gonna teleport myself 1,000 blocks from here. So that is 3180. 3180. I'm gonna leave the y-axis 77 still. Hopefully I don't teleport inside the block. 77. And the next coordinate is gonna be minus 5,137. So 5137. I'll be right back.
Protect you from these.
Ooh.
Get Ivan.
Wow, I teleported up in the sky. Whew.
Oh, did you live?
Yeah, I lived.
Give me a delicious milk, cow.
Let me see if there's anything on the map. Still nothing. Still nothing.
Cows don't. Still?
I went ahead 1,000 steps and still nothing. Wait. I noticed that my icon is significantly bigger though than yours. Definitely.
What are you trying to say, Vloggy?
No. My icon is definitely.
Oh yeah, you're way bigger than me.
So
Giggity.
yeah, keep walking, thousands. Keep walking. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna keep walking. No. I'm gonna keep walking. You keep walking, and then I'll teleport you once I get here. Okay? So just follow me for now.
Like the same direction we were originally going.
Yes. We're going the right way. We are going the right way. You were right.
Hey,
Inferno!
I was right.
It's the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Nice.
No, it's not a song request today. It's not a song request today. But I don't know if Willy Wonka. Are you calling me a Oompa Loompa?
Oh, you know, Oompa, man. That's fighting words.
Hey! I'm kidding.
Oompa Loompa on the side. Money.
Inferno, if you want to check out who I'm playing with right now, he's actually streaming it as well on his side, and he goes by the username The True Nightfall. Can you show yourself on chat, True? Can you do that?
Well, yeah, I can do that.
So he sees your username. And
if my old emoticon was here, I would happily do it, but no, they stole my emoticon.
I'm not gonna say anything against PC because now I'm outnumbered. Now that the Inferno is here. Because Inferno.
I hate YouTube chat.
You hate YouTube chat?
Like it freezes when you try and do like an emoji, and then like
yeah, it does that to me too. All right, so it's not just me then.
Yeah, and then if you don't press chat right, it doesnn't recognize that you're trying to type, and you have to like click out and then click back in.
Yeah, it slows down the stream a little bit. Yeah. All right, so. All right, we're so close. We are so close.
Look, I can taste the loot from here.
I can smell the loot. And we're gonna find an amazing item you only acquire once in the game, so you can either use it or just keep it in a frame. I keep it in a frame, personally.
It's like an armor piece or something?
It's called the Totem of Undying. Basically, if you're holding it and you happen to die, you'll come back to life again. And it will spare you a death, basically.
Like just once?
Yes, just once, and that will go. Yeah.
Oh man, I'd die way more than that. That's like the totem of kind of undying one time. Die, mountain goat.
Alright, so let's see. Am I closer now? Oh, it's so much bigger. Oh, it's so close. I can almost see.
Oh, that's what she said.
Alright. Keep going forward. Once I get there, I'm gonna teleport you to me. So in the meantime, just keep walking.
Just hanging out in the forest.
But yeah, at least I know we're going the right way. That's why I teleport myself 1,000 blocks ahead.
Oh god, I found a mountain. Out of my way, mountain.
I think you're right behind me, actually. I think you're caught up.
What? How's that possible?
Because I just went through a mountain. Over a mountain, not through a mountain.
We're a mountain through the woods here.
Alright, so I'm gonna change the
Oh,
time.
it's
Set 0.
Getting sunsetty.
Actually, I should have asked you whether you wanted to deal with the night or not. I'll leave it up to you as always.
Yeah, consent is a big deal, Vloggy.
Oh, are you kidding me? There was a pool of water. I jumped and I land on the one block that wasn't water. I took damage. The one block that wasn't water. Alright.
Teach you to go adventuring. Let me up this mountain.
The song went really mellow. No, 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 thank you. No, thank you. Why did you go mellow song? No, 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 no. I'm a male.
Man, I need some speed metal.
Actually, I should switch to some rock or metal. Let me see if there is.
Oh, I see like green on the map now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at it.
Playlists.
We're getting closer.
So, electronic, indie, hardstyle. No, there's no metal.
Hardstyle.
All releases. There we go.
Do some
Oh, even
shuffling.
mine. Yes, even mine. Yeah, even mine. That is awesome.
Yeah.
I just see it now. Okay, we're close. We're so close. So now we
Give
are
us
into
that
the map.
loot.
So that means we're reaching the map. We're actually entering the map zone now.
Yep.
Alright, then you must
Mountain
be very close. You're
cows.
very close to me, actually. You're very close.
I don't know how I've caught up with you when you went ahead 1,000.
I'm a slacker.
Slacker, man.
You're a slacker. You know who says that?
Tech 9.
No. No. Maybe. No, I got it from Back to the Future.
Oh, okay.
You're a
Well, he does say it,
slacker.
but yeah. Oh, you're right. Back to the Future.
Yes, Mr. Strickland,
Slacker
I am a slacker.
You're a slacker, McFly. Just like your
Just
dad.
like your old man.
Oh, yeah, your old man.
We're almost
Oh,
there,
man,
we're
that
almost there. I
dad.
can smell it. I can smell it.
Oh,
Oh,
man.
I'm in the map. I'm in the map, and I'm doing.
Oh!
I'm gonna wait for.
Oh,
you.
wow. Oh, I see. Your icon is like blazing the trail there of greenness. But yeah, I'm actually bigger. My icon's big now.
Let's keep walking. I'm entering a swamp, I think now.
You doubt the truest of the Nightfalls, and then
Yeah,
we find
I did doubt your wisdom. My
all my Minecraft wisdom, and you still don't believe me.
You're right.
Jeez. I played this game for like 2 weeks, and you're gonna doubt me. Jeez.
How are you going with Overwatch anyway? Speaking of pro.
I'm like level 30 something now. I played some competitive games. I mean, it's one of my other friends plays, and then she's going to college, and she ran into she's got like a group text with these people she's doing a project with, and then randomly someone brought up Overwatch, and then she found out like a bunch of them play. So last night we were all playing. It was like 6 of us, and they're all like super good.
You should
They're in
stream
like
that.
yeah.
Because I saw you online. I saw you online.
So,
I saw you online last night. I'm like, look at Drew with all that life.
living that esports life, man.
Esports life, yeah. Come on, man. Alright, now I crossed the swamp and I entered the jungle. Well, it's like... Okay, I'm so close to the house. Okay, I'm literally here. I'm literally here. I'm gonna... Would you like to teleport you or... Yeah, I'm gonna teleport you.
Yeah, go ahead. I still got a little ways to go. But I'm close enough. We don't need to.
Oh dear God, why? Why? Alright, let me...
Are you dying?
No, it's Bill. I'm quoting Bill. Bill's always complaining.
Oh,
Bill is
I see
like,
that.
Bill is like my 90-year-old viewer. He complains a
Bill.
lot.
he's like Bill's PC. He's old school.
There you are. So we brought you.
Hey!
I brought you here, and it's right in front
Brought me
of
into the
us.
fold.
Here.
Hey, pantsless man, put them diamond booties on.
Hey Vloggy, did you finish the giant sand thingy? Of course I did. Yeah, I just showed it off before you came on. I'm sorry. More than I do? Yes, Inferno complains a lot as well. So much.
Jeez.
About everything.
Complaining
Like I show him a beautiful girl, he's like, I don't like her cheek, I don't like her chin, I don't like her forehead, she's got something wrong with her pinky and her...
She's only a 9.6 out of 10, not good enough.
Exactly. That's... Alright, so this is the house. Do you see the house over here?
No.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, you.
Like, what?
Hey, poop stain man, put your pants back
Yeah,
on.
I should put my pants on now, yeah. I should put my pants
We're about
on.
to get jumped.
Yeah.
Can we just light this thing on fire and burn them all to death? Is
We
that a
actually
thing?
can, but I don't want to burn something precious.
Okay, we'll
So
do
here's
it.
what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's find the entrance first. Let's go around.
Are we gonna like get immediately jumped when we walk in here?
Probably.
Oh
No,
yeah.
we shouldn't. Okay, but have your weapons ready just in case, because I hear zombies.
Yeah.
It's still day, so. Oh! That was you.
Oh, what?
You got damaged, I thought! Alright, because there's literally danger around the corner, so you need to be careful.
Yeah. Well, these are big trees they got here. Jeez. Where's the front of this place? Wow, this is big. It wraps around.
What a mansion!
What the hell was that noise? Oh, that's a magic man.
Magic man?
He's grunting at me.
If we find the front door, wait for me, alright?
Found a window.
Listen, I don't see. I think this building is.
Oh, what is that? Who's this guy? I've never seen this guy before.
Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. Exactly.
What's with this guy? Does he do stuff? Is he nice?
Who?
This guy in the corner, left corner.
Oh, he's grunting.
He's going. I think he's got.
Go speak to him.
Oh, hey, sir.
No,
sir, I'm here to sell you some.
Seriously though, let's regroup. Let's regroup and make a little.
Is there actually
house?
Is there actually a front door on these places? Oh yeah,
I'm trying
yeah.
to find
Yeah,
the front door. Yeah, I'm looking around, but I cannot seem to find it.
Oh, this place is big. Jeez. Oh, I see. Oh, this has got to be the front door.
Oh yeah, it is the front door. Okay, here's what we're gonna do.
Oh, there's no actual door. It's just open.
Yeah. Oh, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to.
Should chop stuff down.
Let's set up a little house or something.
Okay.
That's like a little shack. Let's do a little shack.
Little love shack. Warrior shack.
Come over here. Get over here. Right,
Get over
this
here.
It's going to be our house. It's going to be.
Oh, 4 blocks.
Yeah, it's just a little.
Oh, I have a crafting table that I stole from our friends. Head down. Crafting table.
See what I'm doing? Look at that. Look at that. Look. I'm so good at this.
You're like a mind
hello, Valerio. I'll call you Valerio because I cannot pronounce your first name. I'm stupid. Welcome to the stream. No, this is Realms, so there's no IP. Sorry.
IP
so
for
here's
you.
What we're gonna do. I'll show this away. Jump. A door. There we go. You see? Now I'm gonna.
You see what happens
when you mess with the warrior? Alright, so I'm gonna put the torch over here and the torch over here so we can find it in the darkness in case it goes dark.
Do you need an arrow? I have an arrow for some reason. I think when you shot
me. Yeah, I'll take it. What are we gonna do? We're going to raid that house, that mansion. There's a mansion over there, but it's very dangerous, so we're just regrouping for now. We need to make a beds though. Do you happen to have wool or something?
Oh wow, I just threw wool out. Let me grab it here.
We need to make 2 beds. We need to make 2 beds at least.
Oh, I don't know if I have enough. I have 3 wool.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this down. How many do you have? Oh, there we go. Let's see. Oh, we have 3 is not gonna be enough. I think we need a bed each. No. Or no.
Yeah, well, yeah, but how much?
Right, so I have we have 1 bed. But we're gonna need another one for sure.
I'll search for goats.
Goats.
Come here, little goats.
They're sheeps.
I see your chicken friends.
The music stopped.
Oh,
it's not a playlist. I just realized. Why did the music stop? Hey, Freddy, welcome.
Please don't stop the music.
Let's put some music on because it went quiet. This should be a playlist. There we go.
Ow, skeleton.
Yeah, careful, huh? So I don't know if 1 bed is gonna be enough if we can share beds. I want to try it, but I don't want to risk it at the same time.
Yeah, I don't see any goat sheeps.
Alright, I don't think our house is big enough, actually. It's so small. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger.
Oh, found the sheep. We need how much?
We need 3 at least.
3, okay. Hello, my friends. Come to me.
Come to me.
You guys don't mind if I
Let me pet you.
kill you for your fur, do you? Tell your friends what happened here. Alright. Now, if I can find my way back, that's the question. There we are. What was that noise? Pig. Pig.
I just made the house slightly bigger. It's better now, definitely.
Okay.
If the voice chat wasn't locked, I would come in and yell. Now, of course, that's why it's locked, Freddy. That's why it's locked. Because you would do that.
Yeah, no trust.
So, I'm gonna throw away some stuff, just like you did. Oh, it's getting dark? Alright, so craft the bed real quick. Craft the bed real quick, and I'll see you soon. I'm coming in later.
How do I craft the bed?
I don't need this. I don't need that.
This is bed sheets.
I'm gonna keep this.
I want a bed.
I don't need this. I don't need
Green
this.
bed? How do I make a normal people bed?
Alright, let's go in because it's going dark. Come inside, giggity.
I don't know how to make a bed.
That's okay. Just you need to do it on a crafting bench, though. You're not on a.
Oh.
You need to be on a workbench. You noob.
You put them in the ground.
You noob.
Noob.
Alright, so I'm gonna
I
put some
need
stuff
woods.
in here. I have this.
I've got this.
I have this and this. I'm putting stuff in the chest. Obviously, help yourself if you want anything, but just putting some stuff that I don't want to lose in case I die. I mean, we are gonna die. No. It's not in case of dying. It's a matter of when we die.
We're not going to die.
Oh no! I brought with me my most expensive pickaxe. That is not good. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, I
just
took
realized
my
I brought it
cheapo
with me. I cannot
pickaxe.
afford to lose this. Wow. All right. If you want to put anything in the chest. Okay.
I'm gonna sleep next to your feet.
Alright, let's sleep. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready to make this happen?
Are you ready to rock?
Rock and roll.
I was literally going to like press escape and save my game like this was single player or something like.
Alright, let's go. Let's do this thing. Whatever. Do you have torches?
Ain't no thing, but
Okay,
I do have like 50.
I'm gonna make some real quick. Why does the music keep stopping? It's a playlist. Why does it stop? I don't know.
How many times do I have to say please don't stop the music?
Please don't stop the music.
Oh, you know, oh, do we have a chest here by chance? Oh, good. I'm gonna put my, oh yeah, you already put, I'm gonna put my iron in there. Coal, my sticks, wood, books. I think I'll need a bucket of water for any reason. Okay, ready to go.
Alright, should be okay now, I think. Okay,
Came here just to say yeet! Thank you, Fire Fist.
There was something else I wanted to do before we start, but I forgot what it was. No, I made the torches, we're good. Let's go.
Let's go.
So where's the house?
We start walking the wrong direction. Let's go. Oh, wait.
There it is, there it is. Well, I mean, there's a part of it.
Picked up egg.
I'll meet
Now
you
we
front
win.
now. What a mansion! We're going in the Resident Evil mansion. You see, we're playing Resident Evil now. I want this to be my home. I want this to be my home. So
dude, we'll make it your home.
Yeah, if we can refrain from blowing stuff up, because there's gonna be creepers in there, of course. If we can refrain from the stuff being blown up. Alright, so I'm gonna start placing torches.
Don't worry.
Place torches everywhere, because they'll keep spawning if we don't.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, 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 I hear something!
What? I mean, I hear him.
I heard...
How dare they hunt at us?
Careful,
Nobody hunts at us.
Careful, because I'm scared. I really am.
I know,
Genuinely
we're gonna be
scared.
fine. Oh, they're definitely in this room here. They're definitely in this room here.
I don't see anybody. I'm going in. Okay, this room.
Oh, whoa!
Oh,
I just heard like
I found the
crazy.
chest up here. Go in. Take a look at the
I just heard like crazy. Weird music just played.
Oh, okay. There's some code. Oh, there's a name tag. Take the name tag. Take the name tag.
Oh, I know.
Take the stuff. Take that loot, because I have enough name tags. You can have that.
Okay.
He sounds French. Who French? Definitely not true. That too doesn't sound French. Now that we're at it, can you do a French impression? Can you speak some French? Come on.
Parlez-vous vlogger pantalon Eiffel Tower?
Oh man. Alright, so we're gonna
So
go this
French.
way perhaps? Let's see. Place torches everywhere, of course. We don't want to die.
Oh yeah.
I like this mansion. I would love to make this my home. But we need to make it safe first. All right.
Yes.
You want to go around here first? Let's see. I'm gonna freak out the moment we see one of those bad guys. I don't know what they're called.
Just, yeah, these humps. They gotta be in here somewhere. He's got an axe! He's got an axe! The axe worker! He's so fast! He's so fast! I can't even hit him! I got him! I got him!
Oh,
Knockback,
nice!
son!
Nice!
Eat that knockback. Yeah, buddy.
Wow, that's what happened with the knockback. You kicked him with the knockback, and he was right next to me then.
He launched into you. My bad.
Did he drop anything?
I didn't pick up anything.
All right, okay, never mind. Let's keep going.
All I have is...
Sorry for being very loud. I'm very sorry for being loud. But I'm not acting. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to be PewDiePie or anything.
It's a scary situation we got here. Oh my God! What is that moaning sound? Jesus! What is in here?
I don't know. All right, so make sure you eat.
Dude, there's a lot of grunts
torches.
happening right now.
I'm using up torches way faster than I thought I would. Hold on.
Okay.
Make some more torches.
So much grunting happening here. Oh, not really like that, but well, there's a bunch of treasure in here, but there's probably a lot of bad people in
so
here.
many chests in here. Is this safe?
I don't see anybody in here, actually.
No, me neither. Okay, it seems to be safe.
Yeah, it actually is.
These guys sound French.
Oh, oui.
Maybe they are French. Is there anything in these chests? They're all empty!
Oh, trolled hard. This could be like your treasure room when you take it over.
Yeah, I like it, huh? It's nice. I mean, obviously, we can share. It doesn't have to be all mine, of course, but...
It can be the Vloggy mansion, but you give me like a guest
when you
room.
Think about it, they look like coffins, actually. This looks
yeah,
like...
is that what it's supposed to be?
I don't know, but that's what...
Hey, look at that! There's like herbage up here. It's like the Resident Evil green herb up here, man. Sweet herbage.
Would you take
the blue herb?
Yeah, will you take the green herb, the blue herbage? All right, let's see. All right, so do we go this way now?
Yeah, we're kind of heading in this direction.
Careful now, careful. I'm scared.
Oh, maybe they're all upstairs because there's so much noise here. But
is there anything in here? Hello, anybody?
Oh, zombie.
Oh, just
zombie.
That's fine. Zombie we can handle.
He's gonna get knocked back like the punk he is.
Why is he going that way?
Hey, you, pay attention to me when I'm trying to kill you. Oh, there's a skeleton hiding somewhere. Ow, yep, ow, he's shooting me in the face.
I hear a skeleton, but I don't see him.
Ow, jerk. He's with me,
Okay, you
I got him. I got him. He can't be my sweet diamond armor. What is down here? Oh, it's like a water thing. This is like, oh, you should turn this into a spa. This is definitely an indoor spa.
I wonder what this is supposed to be anyway. Man, I hear so many bad guys. We need to be careful, huh?
Yeah, upstairs has got to be a nightmare, man. There's got to be a million of them.
Alright, so there's another room here.
Alright, I'll go with my sword.
We're doing very well so far. We haven't died. We're doing very well.
So far, we're not gonna die, man. How many times I gotta say this? There's like our grotto in here. This is like the Playboy Mansion, man.
What's going on in here? What's this? What's all this?
What is that sticky noise? Why am I hearing this? It's so disconcerting.
Sticky noise.
That's so disturbing.
Oh, there's nothing in here. This was completely safe.
I
like this room.
This is a weird room. What's down below? I mean, I don't want to drop down below, but...
I think this is just stuff that hasn't spawned properly, I think. So don't worry about it. We'll
is that right? That happens?
Yeah, it doesn't spawn properly. Alright, let's go around here. Let's see if there's anything else. Wait. Oh, this is the way.
Oh, but this way.
Super. What's over here? Nothing? Okay, never mind. Well done. Placing lights everywhere. It's good. Oh, it's completely dark over there. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, boy.
Are you ready?
Sticky noise. I'm not ready for this jelly.
Alright, which room are we gonna start from? Let's start from this room.
Let's go left, yeah. Sun's out, guns out. Anybody in here, you gonna die. Oh, no, nobody's in here.
Okay, but I think all this safety is gonna come back to us in a very bad way. All right, let's see. I don't. Really?
Oh, this is like a. This is like a dead end.
I'm gonna sing the song. Dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end.
I'm actually. I left all my coal and sticks in the place. I'm running more torches.
So do you want more torches then? Do you want more sticks and stuff?
I mean, if you have some.
Oh, I have loads.
Oh.
I'm gonna make more as well.
Nice. I don't have any sticks though. I left them all on.
I gave you sticks, no?
Oh, you gave me sticks.
Do you need
yeah. I left all my coal in our chest out there.
Okay, so here's a stack of 64 then.
Oh, okay, yeah, thanks.
Alright, so I think this is the first floor. I think there's nothing left in the first floor. We took care of the first floor already. Nothing here.
Well, we gotta go the other way. Yeah. We only went
did we?
left of the or right. Yeah, we still gotta go the other way. From the front door.
Oh, okay. So, okay.
Yeah. Like, see? Like, we started here and went right.
I thought we went around
we still gotta go left.
Alright. I thought we went around the circles. Alright, so.
Because it's dead ends.
Dead end.
Oh, well, I see a zombie way down. Ow, what the hell?
Whoa,
baby zombie!
little
Naked baby zombie! You little punk! Get away from me! He's a quick one. Jeez!
Whoa! Careful!
What you got? Oh, his dad's here.
Alright, your knockback is very useful here. Why not try jumping below then? No, we wanna. Oh, watch out! There's an open behind you!
Oh, whoa, behind you!
Whoa, villager!
Oh, they came from upstairs.
Your knockback is really... It's really good,
yeah, I'm liking it.
But sometimes you knock them... Whoa, look how many!
Oh, lots of friends here.
I'm level 29, I cannot afford to lose. Alright.
Oh, you're only level 9?
29, I'm level 29, I need to be careful. I need to...
yeah, I'm 33. Should we put some torches up? They're gonna keep spawning, but let's just go left and clear this out.
For now. Yeah.
Oh, there's an axe man.
Hold on, let me hit him with the bow and arrow.
Okay. He's an axe man.
Once he gets close, make sure you have your knockback ready, because your knockback sometimes knocks them towards me. Alright, come on, he's coming! Oh, he's not. Oh, wow.
He's a dum dum.
Dum. Hello, Dum. Oh, I killed him.
Oh, you got him. Nice. Oh, don't run past all these open doors, doggy. Terrible idea.
I had to. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna take care of the zombie.
Oh, this room's empty up here. That's easy.
Yeah, light it up. See if there's any chests. Sometimes there's hidden chests. I hear her. So careful.
This is another empty coffin room.
There was a chest up here. Did you see it? Oh, diamond armor! Ooh!
Did it, yo? Oh, I didn't. Oh, wow.
Iron. I'll take the beetroot seeds and I'll take this. I'll take some bone. Throw me a freaking bone here.
A freaking bone.
Who says that? Throw me a freaking bone.
Dr. Evil.
Ah, you know that. Okay.
Oh, I know.
You know.
Oh, another room with 1,000 chests in it.
Probably Trollolo again.
Yep.
Trollolo.
Empty with it's empty of people, I think. But that's good.
Oh, I saw you around the corner. I got scared. Yeah, empty chests again.
Yeah, I'm not looking at the rest of these.
What's that? Stick fight? Never heard of stick fight. Alright, let's go.
You should play stick fight, Loggy, Choo Choo. I've seen stick fight on YouTube.
Okay,
I think.
Oh, there's a mushroom room. Mushroom! Ah, get it?
Oh, these guys are on drugs. That's bad. I don't support that. There's like a lily pad room here. How peaceful they are.
Careful now. I hear grunting.
Oh!
Whoa!
Dude, he dropped from above on me!
I just saw you fly away!
Oh my god, he was like in the rafters!
I just saw you
That is
flying
not-
away.
Dude, not cool.
Wow, I saw you flying away. That was amazing.
Yeah, man, that was rough. Try and build the floor up here.
Oh, nice. You're fixing. That's nice of you. I got some carpet.
Dude, where was he?
I don't know.
Like, how did he drop on me?
I don't know. Get good, please.
Get good, streamer.
Alright.
Alright.
Whatever. What's this in this chest? Oh, there was something in the chest or nothing? Whatever.
No, there's nothing there.
Wow, I have a diamond chest plate though. I love that. I found one of those.
Yeah, that's nice. Should you go put that in our outside chest in case the worst should happen?
Let's take care of the first floor first, and then before we handle the second floor, we'll just...
I think we're done with the first one. This is the end right here.
I think we are. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here and...
regroup.
And regroup, yes. We organize ourselves, our inventory, put stuff, our valuables in the chest. You see, I told you we'd find an adventure today.
Oh yeah, we found it. I'm gonna put some torches out here so we know this is the area we're in.
Alright, let's sleep, change it in the morning, make things easier. I'm gonna put these here, put this here. What else? I'm gonna keep the chicken. Get some seeds.
I'll make some more.
Do you have
I'll make
beetroots?
some more. No, I don't know what that is.
You can grow beetroots. I found some seeds. You can have them. What else? What else? What else? I'm gonna keep
More
the bones.
torches.
I
There we
like
go.
bones. Throw me a frickin'
Should be
bone.
good on torches.
Alright, I think we're good.
Iron.
And this.
Sleep in next to vlog. You speak.
I forgot to take my pants off to sleep.
Oh no!
Alright. Alright, let's go. So. We go? We continue? Oh, what adventure? Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Oh,
Help me, please!
Get away from him, you monster! It's a tough little spider there.
Yeah, I got attacked and I had to switch my weapon. It's gonna get hurt. Alright, so. Upstairs, I think, is more dangerous then. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely more dangerous. Alright, this is it's so dark in here.
Yeah, start placing towards. Oh, I'm gonna eat, huh? It gets more fierce, huh? There's more mobs that we've never seen before. Alright, there's some skeletons over here. Careful.
Oh, go around the corner. Ow,
I'm
dirt.
gonna take care of the other one.
Let's set some torches.
Oh wow, two of them! Two of them! Careful.
Oh man, can you arrow one and then when they run out?
I'm gonna try. I don't think they're gonna get here because they're too far though. So if I do hit them, stay there. Don't move.
Yeah, I got you.
1, 2.
Forking. Got him. He's not gonna come though.
Yeah, they're too far. Ooh, nice.
We can work our way over there.
Oh come on, really? I'm not gonna run out of arrows, am I? He's coming! No, he's not.
There's like a fake bed here. That's funny.
Careful. Okay, I took out one out, but there's the other one. I gave him like 3 damage, but...
There's
Oh, he's coming!
Oh, I got you.
Oh, nice!
Back up.
That was nice.
Yeah.
He drops, one of them dropped...
Don't go too far. Don't go too far. We got. Oh!
Oh my goodness! What's that?
Demons! Flying ghost demons! What is this?
Oh my goodness! Go down the stairs! Go down the stairs! Go down the stairs!
I don't know where I am.
Go down the stairs! I'm out of the house! I'm out of the house!
There's a skeleton chasing you, and he's good. He's after you. That's good. Oh my god. Ghost demons and skeletons. Oh, the creeper! Creeper!
Oh my goodness! Watch out!
Watch out. Oh.
Alright, he's gone.
Die in a fire. Die in a fire.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh, one of those ghosts. What were those ghosts?
Dude, I didn't know those were things. They're like little diamond demon pig. Demon flying. Terrifying. Hide in the house. I need to talk to someone. I need my mom.
Oh Alright, I need to eat as well. My goodness, I'm level 30. I'm so dead. I am so dead.
Yeah, I'm 34.
There's no way I'm not gonna die, huh?
No, we're gonna live.
What were those
Kill
things?
Were you able to hurt them at all? Because I ran. I don't know if
I don't know. I just took off. I'm like, oops. And it's my fault because I kept walking. That
we need to clear that room before we keep going forward.
Let's.
You got that bloodlust in you. I'm ready. I'm all fed.
Oh.
Soiled my pants, which you can't tell.
If something happens, let's meet up in this room. Yeah, but it's true. If it happens, just get out of there. Just get out of the house and meet outside again.
Yeah. Works for me.
Stairs again.
Oh, he's right here. He's right here.
Who, the ghost?
No, the axe man. I got him.
Careful. Wow, nice. Grab the emerald.
Oh, emerald.
Wow.
Okay, but I think there's a skeleton up here. Yep, he's up here.
Wow, skeleton don't scare me. Hold on, let me take care of the skeleton. I have bow and arrow.
Ow.
Oh, crap.
Ow.
Crap. There we go.
Oh, nice.
Now then.
Okay, so not that way.
arrows
Let's
and
finish
stuff.
this way.
So it was over here, yeah, when we saw them.
Yeah, well, they're not here, but
Careful. Because they get summoned or something. One of them is called the Summoner, and he summons them.
Oh, well, let's go here first. We gotta clear this room because we don't know what's in here, and then we'll move up.
Alright.
Oh, I see a zombie. We got a zombie here.
Zombies are fine. We can handle zombies, I think.
Yep.
Look, this is better than Resident Evil, this mansion. Careful, I hear. Oh! Okay, hold on.
Oh. There's a spider in that room. Like, looks like he's in a cage.
Nice. Alright, we're good. Watch out!
Oh, skeleton. Oh, the spider's free. Oh, skeleton on your right.
There's still another skeleton here somewhere.
Yeah, he's after me.
Nice.
They have like a fight. It's like a fighting
it's like a boxing ring.
Dang.
Oh, look at this! There's oh, I dropped my sword. Oh, he took my sword. Can you give me my sword, face?
Oh, oh, sweet! I found a diamond sword.
Alright, so let's go up. There's an upstairs, apparently.
Oh, there is.
Wait a sec.
Waited.
Right,
Oh, this is Vloggy's blood.
There's a chest in here.
I put some torches up here, man.
Let's see what's inside the chest. Ah, discs, music discs. You can have them if you want, because oh, a golden apple as well.
I have cat. I already got my best one.
They're both cat, actually. No, one of them is 13. I'm gonna take both. I'm gonna take all the gunpowder because I'm making something with the gunpowder.
The ceiling looks weird.
Oh, there's more upstairs. There's more up.
No, I don't think there is.
No. Whoops.
Optical illusion.
Alrighty then. Alrighty
Okay,
then. Ready?
Let's go find your demons.
Oh man, I'm looking forward to the demons.
Is it this room right on the left here? Or did you run even further?
There's a creeper. There's a creeper right by the door. Careful. I can actually shoot him.
Okay. If he gets close, I got him.
Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Nice.
Watch out, because there's
Oh, there's like two axemen there. I see them.
Careful.
Oh no! It's a magic something.
Hold on, I see him. I think I can take him on with the bow. Hold on.
Oh yeah, do it. Get him. Yeah.
I got him. He's got his hands up in the air, and he's waving around like he just.
No surrender. You're a prisoner.
Oh, I see him.
Oh yeah, he's trying to do stuff. Kills him before
he's called the summoner. Oh, he's dead. Rip.
Yeah.
Is there anybody else in there? Or
there's an Axeman. I got him. Back up, Axeman. You ain't got nothing.
They deal a lot of damage. Careful. Okay.
Got him.
Durga. What about that guy that dropped the summoner, whatever?
Oh yeah, I don't know. Maybe he got some.
Oh, he dropped a totem pole. In fact, look, he dropped one of those. Let me give.
What does that do?
Hold on. Where is it? There it is. This is for you. That's for you. That is a very rare item. Very, very rare. Hey, AI!
Oh.
Welcome! Welcome, AI. That's a very rare
AI.
item. If you die whilst holding that, you will come back to life immediately. Instantly.
Do you keep all your stuff?
Yes.
Oh, zombie, zombie, zombie.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Yeah, but I mean, I wouldn't use it because it's a very rare item. Once
Oh,
you
yeah,
use it,
I'm not
it
gonna.
breaks and you never see it again. You never see it again. So I like to put it in a frame.
Okay, so we'll go in this room.
There's a
Oh, we
guy
got a
here.
nice little.
Careful,
Oh,
careful,
an
there's one.
Axeman. Oh no, he's a spawner guy.
Is he?
He's a magic.
How can you tell?
I think, because the other guys have axes, right? Oh, we got a zombie behind us.
Oh,
Is he? Can you
I don't
tell?
know. He's
Yeah.
just taking damage, but he's not doing it. Oh, he's went
Oh,
back.
he's at. Oh, he's.
Oh!
Ow.
Sorry, you just got in my way.
Yeah, I was like, who hit me from
It
behind?
was me, sorry.
It-
Giggity.
It's gonna be me.
Alright, so over here, I'm just gonna put some lights on, and we're done with this room. I like this house. I want this house.
Yeah,
I wanna live
man.
here.
It's yours.
Let's live
Just
together.
like it's just like America. If you want land, you just kill whoever's on it and you take it.
Alright, so this way. Alright, this is where it gets really hard, I think. I think there is a lot of danger here. Which room are we gonna
Oh,
take
boy.
first? Let's take this one.
Let's go. Wait, let's just go left.
Oh, watch out! There's a creeper. Watch out! Watch out! There's a creeper right behind.
Oh, jeez, jeez.
Careful.
Do a knockback. Oh man, knockback's cool. Back up on me. Don't you explode. Don't you blow up Vloggy's mansion. Right.
I don't think I want to live in a house so far away from the from where I actually live. It's too far.
Can you make like a teleporter?
Uh-oh.
Is that a thing?
Uh-oh.
Oh, but skeleton, skeleton. Ow.
Okay, I got it. There's one of those guys. Hold on. Let me see.
Oh
Watch
yeah.
out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! All right, I'm gonna take care of the summoner thing or whatever, and you take care of any other mobs like zombies or whatever. While I take
All right,
my
I'll
aim.
get close. I will get close
That's
in
one.
protection.
That's 2.
Nice.
That's 3. That's 4. He's ripped.
Ah,
Okay.
Nice.
This room
Watch
is
out.
clear.
No creeps.
This room is clear from the demons. What is this room anyway? What is it?
What a weird. This is like a coffin, a tomb or something.
Hold on a second. Oh, watch out! Whoa! Ah, a little bastard! A little bastard! A
Oh,
little bastard!
a little bastard! I don't know my sword. Where's my sword?
Help me!
No, I hit him into you. I hit him into you. He's too strong. My sword is too strong. There you go.
Oh man! I'm trying to think what this is. All right, let's be careful.
All right.
Don't go in there. Let's save that room for last because I know there's a lot of danger in there. Let's go
All right.
around.
This room's little. I don't think there's nothing in it.
Let's just put in some lights. Okay. Oh, it's dark out.
Yeah. Creeps come out at night, man.
Oh, there's a creeper. Is there a giant
skeleton.
chicken in there? Is there a giant chicken in there?
Whoa, that is a giant chicken!
They're praising their god.
They
Their chicken
worship
god.
giant
Go, chicken,
chickens!
go.
Oh, there's 2 skeletons. Oh man, you definitely need to keep this house, man,
Now
and
I want
worship
this
the
house.
giant
I have
chicken.
to. That's a giant
What?
chicken. Look at that.
Like, look at that.
I love it. Oh man.
Oh man.
This chicken will be
They
perfect
got
for my chicken farm.
These this would be.
How cool is that?
Oh my God.
I love this chicken.
That is awesome. And this could be your bedroom right here next to your chicken worship temple.
Alright. Good. We are good. Alright, so let's take up that room that I told you before. Oh, I am running out of torches. Oh, I'm running out of torches. I don't have any more left. Oh yeah,
I've got
no. I got 31.
Got it?
We're good.
Okay.
Let's go. This is very dangerous. So be very, very careful.
Okay.
What is this? Alright, so there's.
Let me-
Oh, okay. Haha, you can't get me. Oh,
Oh, demons!
my
Demons!
goodness.
Oh, you can hurt him. You can't hurt him. You can hurt him.
How? Oh man!
You just sword them. You sword, but
around.
they go through walls. But my knockback works. Oh my God! They has bloodlust. That has bloodlust. Did you see that? He's like covered in blood, dude.
Where'd he go?
That's trippy. They can go through walls, but you can hurt them. They got hurt by my sword. That's for sure.
He went through this door, but they're okay. He went through this.
I think
wall,
they despawn after a while. Where'd you go?
All right, yeah. There we go.
Don't leave me here, man.
All right, how are we gonna do this?
Oh, this one's still alive. Let me.
Oh, whoa! There's another one! Oh, there's another one! Two of them!
Oh God! He dive bombed me, you little bastard! Oh! They go like. Eh!
Oh, they make
my God,
sounds.
did you
Yes.
hear them? They're like.
Okay, we killed one.
"Eh!"
We killed one.
Oh Jesus!
How are we gonna kill them?
I think I'm gonna kill the.
There's one guy that's
Oh,
spawning
these guys are
there.
just lining up to die here. This is perfect. Okay,
Yeah,
I got
but
like
careful,
3
there's
of
a
them.
summoner over there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
some
just
of
put some
them.
torches here to at least stop them from spawning.
Make sure you don't fall in there because otherwise you're done. Oh! Watch out! There's more. I see them. Where'd he go?
Here, Vloggy, let's go up. Let's go up.
I go up, but
High ground.
I'm scared. Oh, there's more. There's more to this mansion
Yeah.
than meets the eye.
Oh, this is like another floor. Maybe we should clear this bottom part first then. Let me see.
I see a creeper. I can handle him. Hold on. Creeper! Come on!
It's like literally just the spawner, dude. Ow, you damn demons!
Are you handling the spawner guy?
I mean, I think we can take him. I'm gonna destroy some of these bricks because I don't want to get stuck down there.
Yeah, that's the thing. Careful because if you fall
Okay.
down there, you're done.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, watch out! There's the guy. I saw him.
I got him. Oh, don't you spawn! Don't you spawn! Got him!
Nice.
Whew.
I was just watching.
Oh, he
you from a
dropped it
safe
here.
distance.
He dropped another totem of them dying.
Yeah,
Here you
yeah,
go.
that's what they do. Thank you.
Now we live.
Now we can live. Alright, so nothing's here then.
This is an oddly designed room.
I have a feeling there's secrets in here, huh? There could be
Yeah?
hidden chests, yes. I don't know
Oh.
how, but we'll see. We'll figure things out. Let's take a look here first. Hello? Anybody here?
Oh, there's an upstairs to this place.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here it is.
You handle it. Oh, there's a creeper and... Oh, I think you need...
Oh,
I think
and
you're
a
gonna need
skeleton.
hand. Hold on.
Oh, no, don't! Ah! Damn it.
That's okay. That is okay.
He blew a hole in the wall.
I like this house, huh? I might... Oh, there's a chest here. There's blood diamonds.
Oh.
There's another music disc. There's melon seeds, and there's another name tag. You can have whatever you like in this chest. I'm not thinking anything.
It's all good. You have it.
So let me see. Let's get out of here. I'll take everything then. Bread, strings, bone. Alright, so.
Let's go.
There's a spider. I see a spider.
Booter.
Oh, there's creepers trapped. Careful, there's a creeper right around the corner.
Oh, they're in the cage.
Yeah, there's creepers in the cage. Let's leave them there. Let's not kill them.
Yeah. Get the spider.
No! He released all the creepers! He's releasing all the creepers!
They're out! They fell down a hole?
One of them fell.
Oh, no.
Oh man, sorry. This was all my miss.
well,
I'm sorry. This was all my miss.
This room is just open air. Oh, cool! It's a big outdoor patio now. That's nice.
Oh, I like it actually. Yes.
Oh, what the hell? Ow!
Do you like the outdoor patio?
I don't like it. I don't like outdoor patio anymore. Dangerous out here, man.
Hold on, let me just kill this.
Stupid outdoor patio.
Hold on, I want to kill this creeper.
Is there somebody down there? Oh, another creeper? Where'd he come from?
Yeah, he fell from over here.
Oh, yeah, he was that guy.
so let me just go upstairs real quick. I want to see what's up. Literally, what's up. Alright. Let me just check upstairs real quick. Oh no, they broke the ladder! We can't get up there!
Oh man!
Hold on, I have an idea, I think.
They're gonna keep spawning.
I have an idea.
I got some blocks. Here. Move, Vloggy.
I can do this. I can do this. Alright, that's good as well. That is just as good. There's a chest, I want to see what's inside. Ah, take the golden apple. It's good for you, for your health.
Golden apple.
It's the golden apple.
They can't sue us for that. That's our song.
That's our song. We
What do you
made it
do? What do you do with a golden apple?
I think it restores your health. And gives you regeneration for a long time. I think. I'll take the as well. All right. I can't believe that there's still. I think there's more to this house. I don't think we have explored everything. Careful! I hear zombies.
Oh yay! Sunrise.
What's this? Bathroom? What's
Oh,
this?
you got a little spot. It's like a steam room in here, man.
I'll
You're
take
living
it.
large.
I'll take it. What's inside?
Oh, it's just 2 tiny rooms. Little
This is a good house
personal,
to play
personal
hide
steam
and
house,
seek.
man. And your bed to like for the ladies
Oh, there's
right
a chest.
after the
There's a hidden
steam.
chest.
Oh man.
There's a chest. What's inside?
Yeah.
Ooh, you need to take one of these. You need to take, or take both actually. You can have both. Take the leash. Take the leads.
Leash? Lead? What do I do with
You
these?
can actually drag animals around with that.
Oh,
Yeah, you
oh,
can-
blood diamond.
Yeah, I can take whatever you want. Really, I'm done. I'm full. Really.
Guess I'll take coal. Make more.
All right, let's go.
More
Actually, I'll
torches.
I'll take the gunpowder. I'm doing something. Building some explosive.
Oh.
I don't think I'll be able to come back to this house. It's too far.
Oh, here's a guest room.
Ooh, nice.
I still hear ha-has, but
Do you see
how
her,
big is
huh?
this place? Yeah.
Okay, so we're not done.
Hey, you got like a library over here.
Let's loot the books. Let's loot them.
Looting books.
Yeah, these are useful. All right. I'm out of torches.
Library destroyed. You got torches? I got it. I got a bunch of torches. Here.
Thank you. All right. So.
So
why
where
do
are
yeah,
these
I'm
guys?
hearing. So, what now? Where do we go?
They're like on the roof and they just spawn there? Or...
No, but if we had grunts, that's probably. That's
Oh wow! I didn't know. Look at the wall. It's the dude.
it is. All right, there has to be some. There has to be some other way up. I keep hearing monsters.
Actually, I'm hearing goats and sheeps and.
But do you hear grunts like, huh? Like one of those?
I don't know if I heard that.
Are we done with the mansion?
Oh, a giant chicken room.
I don't know. Maybe we are done.
We didn't even die because we're pros. Oh, I see that AI was in my stream for a little. Sorry, AI, I missed you there. We were in intense Resident Evil mode here.
Alright, so I think we're done from this.
Yeah.
I don't get what this is supposed to be. This is supposed to be something. I don't get it though. This is some sort of a face, I think.
Yeah, it looks like upside down almost.
Yeah. I don't get it.
I don't know which mob that is. The guy has a painting, but I don't know who that one is. And then, of course, the giant chicken god.
You know what I feel like right now? Blowing this whole place up.
Oh, burn it to the ground.
Or maybe, yeah, burn it to the ground. Do you want to do that?
Let's burn it, man.
Yeah, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna harvest some carpets because carpets are good.
Oh, a creeper came over here. I'm gonna
Some
go
carpets though.
Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa! We have not been this way. We haven't been this way at all. Not done. We're not done. We haven't even been this way. Because there's like bookshelves and stuff, and like.
Yeah, that's right. Wow. Careful.
That's why we kept hearing things. Okay. Oh, watch out! No, there's one to your right. One to your right. One to your right. Watch out!
Oh! Oh, there's another one.
Oh!
Okay, we're making a whole mess.
Yep.
What's down there?
Screw this place.
Let's
go steal books.
Yeah, steal the books. Yeah, take the books. Or whatever. I'm gonna eat.
So rich in books.
Take the books. Alright, what's over here? Careful.
Oh, I heard a. Oh, Axeman. We got an Axeman here.
Watch out!
He's angry. Yep, he's an angry Axeman.
The Axeman.
Taste my knockback, yo.
What are you, Wolverine?
The Axeman
Who,
comes.
the Axeman?
The Axeman comes. Oh, lots of books in here.
Take.
No more reading for you, scumbags.
I'm going to steal your wisdom. Books are good. Books are useful.
Oh, my axe broke. Breaking books by hand.
I think you only get one, I think. I don't know. Let's see what's what over here. Oh my goodness!
Oh, is it oh, Axeman! Oh, whoa, whoa!
Yeah, there's still one in that room.
Aish! He is a quick Axeman. He's an Axeman.
He's an Axeman. And he axes like he's never axed before. Oh, the valuable knowledge.
Oh, it gets
My
him.
hand is so cold right now. There's another one, huh? There's another guy. I'll take care.
Oh,
Let me have
you got him.
this.
Oh,
he's coming.
He's super dumb. He's
Oh,
there.
Ripperoni pepperoni.
Sakura!
Is Sakura here? Sakura here?
She's on my stream there.
Sakura.
Sakura! Sugar.
Yesterday I pulled off a true. I did a true. I sent her a Snapchat whilst.
While you're streaming.
Yeah. Wait, have we been here? Yeah, we've been.
Yeah, I think this is that. I think now we're done.
No, don't believe.
Man, we're too OP. We slaughtered this place.
Hold on a sec. What? Look at this. No way. Look at this.
Oh.
Have we been here? Wait.
Yeah, we've been here. This is the weird room.
Whoa!
Oh, Jesus! Where did it go?
I don't know.
There's another creeper in this room that we were in. Ow! Oh, I fell down. I fell down the creeper hole. I'm coming back.
Hello, creeper. How are you gonna get out of there?
No, I'm just running around the stairs. Where are you? I'm coming back you.
I thought this creeper was locked inside in the boxing area thing and it had an opening.
Did you? Oh boy.
It was open!
It was open. It was all a trick. Oh god, we need a floor here. I'm gonna fall back in.
No, man. You know what we need right now? Do you have any flint on you? You know where I'm going with this?
Yeah, I know where you're going, but I don't have any flint, unfortunately.
I want flint. I want flint. I want to set this house on fire. I am done.
Let's burn it.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. That's it. We're done. We're
Done
done.
with this place.
Let's get out of here. Through screen is dark, she said.
What? What do you
Screen
mean?
is dark.
Like my game is dark?
I don't know, probably.
Oh! I hear creepy crawlies.
Creepy crawlies?
I think there's a spider outside. Yeah, I came to watch vlog. I see how it is, Sakura. I see how it is, Sakura. Man.
No, I don't have any. I don't have any flint. God dang it. I wish I had flint. How am I gonna cause fire?
Oh damn it! I left my bucket of lava. I had one.
God dang it! Oh, no, I have How can we create fire?
I like kept one bucket of water. That's it. Dude, I like bright screens and not dark. This might. Oh, I'm gonna look at my.
Create some fire. I wanna make some fire.
I'll look at my.
I'm gonna look around.
My stream.
Right back.
Okay. My screen isn't dark. What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Sakura's on that.
Drunk. Sakura's drunk.
Sakura's drunk again. She's drunk streaming.
There's nothing here.
Oh my god, who are these people messaging me?
Oh, you're popular. Look at you.
Nobody's messaging me. Nobody loves me. Where'd you go?
I'm looking around for some flint. I'll be right back.
Force my vision to work overtime. My screen's not even dark. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, I was in a dark mansion. It was a spooky mansion. That was the whole point of it.
Let's see.
And you said we were gonna die.
We didn't
Man,
die. We were so good.
Slaughtered that. Oh, I do kind of feel bad about burning the giant chicken, but other than that, yeah. Sakura, did you see the chicken room?
Alright, I'm coming back.
I'll
Where
be
are
right.
you? Oh, okay. Where are you is a very good question now, because...
I am at the front door.
Okay, I see the mansion. Alright. It's a beautiful mansion.
Sure, I'm with Jackhammer. I'm a true. Yeah, Jackhammer is the best of the true haters, and you've joined his ranks. Thank you.
I said only vloggy would
all...
not true. Aha. Alright, so let's meet up in the...
Why did that message get tagged? Oh, he said die.
Cause die, probably, yeah.
Nah. No, I didn't see the giant true chicken. It's not a giant true chicken, it's just chicken.
Meet me in our little shack. I got something for you.
Okay.
Wow, I'm so full.
It's the love shack.
It's
the love shack.
It's a love shack.
Little place. And I only work for you. How's that song?
What?
Like, he's a love. I don't want to work for nobody but you. The love machine. What are you doing? Vloggy's gonna kill us. Let me out.
Like this.
Let me out of here.
No. I got something for you. I got something for you. Actually, I'm trying to make some. Oh, there we go.
6'8" giant chicken. Oh, you're funny, Sakura. You think you're funny. You're funny. You get like you know how tall I am.
Are you ready for awesomeness?
Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for this jelly.
Oh, you're gonna love this.
I ain't ready for this jelly.
True.
Oh, yes, what you got
Go
for me?
crazy.
Oh, hello.
Use all of it. Use it up. All of it. Where?
Excuse me, Mr. Mansion. I couldn't help but notice you needed to be a little warmer.
Hang on. Let me just set time zero.
Let me go ahead and help you out there. Looks like, yeah, you definitely need a little warmer there. And, oh, yeah, you need a little warmth there. A little warmth there for you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like what I'm doing with the place. Ow. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just a little. Oh, yeah, just
like that. Oh, yeah. Just like that.
Floating fires? Perfect. Why not? Giant chicken gods? Nope, don't need you. Oh.
Oh, you're burning the chicken god! No!
Oh, God.
Chicken god.
Oh, boy.
Oh
Oh, burning the house from the inside. Burning the house from the inside while I'm in it is dangerous. Kids, don't try this at home. Oh my god! Running out the side! Ah! Oh! Oh my god!
The game is lagging heavily now for me.
What happened to the house, man? I didn't do this. This is madness. This is blasphemy.
This is Malta.
This is Malta.
Alright, I don't know. Oh my goodness! This is not good. This is not good because the house is surrounded by trees.
No, there's no
So
way.
we're gonna set a forest fire. Set a forest fire.
Like, yeah, no. I've personally made sure the fire only stays in the house.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
no, I'm just looking at this house. Yeah, sick your axemen on us now. Oh, yes. Oh, it's glorious. Oh, there's somebody burning on
fire!
top. Why are you
I
on
set myself on fire!
That Vloggy's on fire! Yeah! Vloggy's on fire! I like how the stairwell, all the stone stuff is perfect. I'm gonna go inside and check out my handiwork. I mean, the accidental fire that started. Don't worry! Don't worry, I'm here to save you all! Don't panic! Oh, I can't get up. I need
How
to
are you
block.
gonna get out of your house now?
Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry, the fire department is here.
Right now.
The true fire department is here. I'm gonna help you all. I'm gonna do a controlled burn over here. That's a fire saying. Just a controlled burn. Everything's gonna be fine. Yep. Just don't worry about a thing.
Where are you?
I'm on the second floor. Trying to
You are
save,
so doomed.
trying to save people, man. Like
This is what
I'm a
you
healer.
should have done.
Oh, whoa! Okay, maybe I might have blocked myself off of the wall of fire there. Oh boy! 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 Why not? Fire there. Yes, the guest room is slightly damaged, but we can still be a
Family.
what's that little?
Still be a family.
I didn't set fire to the house, Sakura. I'm here to save people.
Okay, my light
Oh.
is off, so
Oh wow.
I'm just gonna watch from a distance now.
Vloggy, are you saying you burnt this house down? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, no.
Oh,
I love it. Look at you.
because I died.
Where are you? I don't see you.
I don't even know what side of the house I'm on. And just yeah, the side looked a little dry. Just help it out here. Oh, apparently these trees caught on fire, even though I specifically told them not to.
Ah, well.
Oh man, I feel like we did a good thing today.
Yes, we have accomplished a lot. Show how the master beats the pro. What? Are you talking about Overwatch? Because True is like the Overwatch sensei now.
What? Who are you talking to?
Sakura. She said she needs to play with you now. She's gonna teach you. He's the master or something.
Wait, oh,
So,
show you how to master beats the pro. What, like Lucio? What are you saying? I didn't see that.
you still didn't run out of lighter.
Yeah, I ran out of things to light, so it's like, ow! There's a fire, guys. Somebody help! I did my best to save this place. I give you my word. Oh, the lily pad farm. Oh no! I like how the super peaceful music just started playing. As we're burning this house down, lighting all its occupants on fire.
You're enjoying this way too much. Now I'm scared of you.
I don't. I didn't even do this.
Wow, man.
I'm just trying
so
to.
destroyed.
Oh, the forest is not doing so hot.
Yeah, I just remembered that the forest is
hey.
nearby as well. The forest is
This
nearby,
side
and our shack is nearby as well.
This side of the house is for some reason not on fire. That's good. I don't want it to be, but I'm gonna just check it real fast to make sure it stays not on fire. Oh god.
I wanted to come in. Let's see if I can. Let's see.
Oh, you're not inside? Come on in, man. The fire's warm. Nothing could go wrong.
There's not much space I can walk on.
Oh, really? This side of the house is like empty. Oh, I fell in a pool of water. Oh crap! I'm trapped. Get me out of here.
Oh, how am I gonna get out of here now? Oh, there you are! I see you!
Hey, where are you?
Oh, right over here! Like,
are you implying that I'm lighting
There you
fire?
go, there, hold on. Turn around. Okay, now the fire is blocking me, you can't see me. Walk forward. There we go. Up, look up. Behind you. Keep turning around. Come on! Oh, there you can see me! Behind you. Right behind you. And keep looking up. Turn around, keep turning around, keep turning. I'm jumping. Come on, you see me. You're looking at me.
What? What?
You see me, I'm jumping.
I don't see you.
What?
Oh, there you are! I was looking like straight up like you're on the top floor, like you're not there. I see
I'm
you.
trapped on this block now.
Bloggy, don't worry, I'm gonna come save you.
I don't like what you're gonna do. No!
It broke.
Sucker!
Oh man.
Sucker!
Damn it. I was totally gonna save you.
Yeah, I'm gonna save you. Hold on.
Hey, stop trying to save me.
I got the cure.
Oh no, I don't want the cure.
You want the cure? You know.
Oh no.
Okay. I'm not gonna use the cure.
I'm gonna get you out of there. Oh, Vloggy, yeah, I saved you.
Stay still!
Hardcore parkour!
Yes!
Fire! Ow, into the fire I burned! Why? Water!
Look at all these chests over here. It's such a waste.
Oh, they didn't burn?
No, they don't burn.
Just don't burn? Oh.
No, chests don't burn. Alright, how about we go back home now with all the loot that we've gathered?
Give me the loot.
Alright, where's our house now? Where's our shack? The glass is broken.
Yeah, where is our front? I don't know where the front door is anymore, so, Was this the front door? Oh, there's our shack. Yeah, this was a front door.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take my stuff and I'm gonna go home.
I'm taking my ball and I'm going home.
Alright, so this was mine. This you can have. This is mine. I'm gonna take the. Oops! I'm gonna take the discs. I'm gonna eat this.
You can have all these books.
I'll take this. I'll take these. You can take the rest. I'll take this. I'll take the music disc, and I'll take this one as well.
Oh, don't forget your lucky pick, man.
Oh yeah, that's right. I was almost okay.
Jeez.
Okay. What else? I decided not to take the
totem
carpet.
guy.
I decided not to take the rotten flesh. I want the bones. You can have those books. You can have that stack of books.
Okay.
I'll take the apple of the golden.
Oh, my bucket of water.
Oops, sorry. What else? I don't need the gravel. You can have the beetroot seeds if you want. I don't know if you're interested, but
Nah.
I'll leave the carpet here.
Oh, there's cat. I already have cat.
And I'll take the bow and arrow. Actually, if you combine two bows and arrows, two bows, you get the stronger bow.
What?
Anything else? No. Alright, so I'm gonna send you home first.
Okay. Alakazam!
Alakazam! Salam, salabim. Alright, TP. Your name is... There we go. Let me see if you're home. Tell me if you're home. Well, I mean, if you're my home.
I'm in hell.
Are you?
Hey, I'm in your house.
All right, so
yep.
I'm coming after you.
You sent me to the Nether. Why?
No, I can't do that. That's a different dimension. So, TP, VloggyBuddy through Nightfall. Boom. And I'm in my home. Whoa.
Vloggy inside me.
Yes.
Wah, wah. I'm gonna go to my shack.
Yeah, you can go home now. That was fun.
That was good. That was a good adventure.
That was fun. How about... Are you working tomorrow?
No.
You're not. Do you want to do Pokemon Battle?
I'm down for some Pokemon tomorrow.
Awesome. I'll work on a thumbnail.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Oh man.
Pokemon
I gotta work
Battle
on
tomorrow.
too.
Pokemon
Yep,
Battle tomorrow versus True.
It's on like Donkey Kong.
We're gonna do best out of 3. Alright? So we'll do a best out of 3.
Okay.
Let me just reorganize myself now.
Stuff here. I don't know what it is.
So Pokemon Battle tomorrow. I'll work on a thumbnail. How about same time? Same time as today, like more or less. How about that?
Yeah, that should work.
Awesome. So now I have a. Where's my totem?
AI, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, AI.
I didn't bring a totem with me. Maybe I never picked it up or anything. But
Oh, I grabbed it. I'll give it to
two?
you. Yeah, I just picked it up because I didn't know if you were leaving it behind or not. I thought you were like, I'll bring it to you. Wait, where'd it go?
So let's see. I already have these discs. I didn't need these. Well. I lost the map. I realized I just realized.
Yeah.
I don't need the map anyway. But
Yeah, I think I left my map in our little out there.
whatever.
Whatever, we're done with that place. Nobody else can ever go there. You should tell Nikki. Hey Nikki, this is a really cool place we haven't been to yet.
Put my totem pole over there in this frame.
Oh, you can put it in there?
Yeah, I can put it there.
Let me do it. Oh, nice.
Now I have to. From the first adventure and the second adventure.
Alright, I'm gonna go in my shack and I think I'm done for.
Yeah, I need to go cook something now because I have to go to work. I don't like work. Actually, I don't mind. I love my job. So I'm complaining. If you're watching, Mr. Manager.
I love my job. I love you.
I love you.
I love. Oh, there's creepers all over your bridge. That's not cool. That bridge is just. That bridge is like Death City up there. I'm staying far away from your bridge.
Don't blow up my bridge, please.
I'm not blowing up the bridge.
Oh, I like this song.
Tra-la-la, tra-la-la.
Disco, good.
All right, I am.
Okay, I have.
I'm gonna get up out of here.
And Drew is out.
I'm out of here! Alright, that was a good adventure. That was a good adventure. I had a good time.
GG indeed. Yeah, I'm gonna call this one.
Alrighty. Well, adios, everybody.
Thanks for hanging out, for playing with me, and thanks for everyone that stopped by on the stream. Thank you for subscribing, those subscribees, and thank you, Daryl, for the donation. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Vloggy versus True, the ultimate championship. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna.
Oh yeah, one down.
Gonna be fun.
All right.
Take care, buddy. See ya. Bye. Have a great time.
See ya.